Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Is this Nachi as well?
Yes. Is there anything she can do for you?
No, ma. There is something very important I wanted to tell her.
Okay, let me go and call her for you. I hope you are alright.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the one you should go and tell your father. That is the important thing you're looking for her. You don't want to go yet? You don't want to go? Idiot. People go to church to be baptized. You came to a woman's house to be baptized. Come and baptize! Idiot. As worthless as your father. Oh, you don't want to go? Okay, stay there. Go! 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 You want me to hide the drum and baptize you where? Different person. I came to live for magic. That's something important. I have given you the most important message. Go and give it to your worthless father.
Man, they see something. Obiama Jaka. Oh, yeah, where go. Wana Joyaju. Poor man, they see something. Obiama Jaka. Only Sabini, you know, the one name. Oh, no, do moment.
Who is that? Who is that?
Good morning, sir.
What is good about him? What are you doing here?
I want to see Ejike. Is he around?
Oh, what gave you the impetus? Come to my house to look for Ejike. Are you mad or something? Something wrong with your head? Huh? If I catch your two left legs in this house, what I will do to you will be better than what happens to Suya on fire. Come on, you can't leave my house. Even when they give you the opportunity, you will never come. This is a cupboard house. Stupid daughter of come on, leave this place. Can you imagine? Now to it again. Ojo. Come here again.
What happened to you? Why are you wet?
I waited for you at that junction where we planned, but you didn't show up. So I decided to go to the house to wait for you. This is what your mother did today.
What? You mean my mother did this to you? I'm so sorry. But my mother has sent me on an errand earlier and what she sent me to do took lots of my time. I didn't know I was going to take so long. I'm sorry.
It's okay. What is this on your face? What happened to you? Who did this to you?
I had waited for you at the junction where we were supposed to meet, and when you didn't show up, I thought you had gone home. So I went to your house to look for you. My father slapped me and chased me away.
My father did what? So you mean my father did this to you? He puts his filthy hands on you?
Just calm down.
No, ask me to calm down. Look at what my father did to you and you're asking me... What is this? What's all this nonsense?
Love, please, I beg you. I don't want us to have a fight because of this. Just calm down. I don't want you to have issues with your father because of me. Let's just take things easy. I beg you. Please. We could go somewhere quiet and talk.
When is all this rubbish going to stop?
We will be fine. I'm very sure we'll be fine. Our love will conquer. Where are you coming? I went to see a friend. If you cross there, I will kill you. I presume Ejike is that friend you're talking about.
Mama, I just told you that I went to see a friend.
They thunder fire your mouth for saying that nonsense to me. Osinachi, so you're still fooling around with that lazy idiot? Ha! Osinachi, you're testing my patience. You're testing my patience. I will kill you. I will skin you alive. Ha! My hands.
Okay, Mama, please. Just calm down. I just want to ask a simple question.
Go ahead and ask. When we're on, ask. I'm listening. Ask.
Have you ever loved someone before?
Oh, number one again. Did you look at yourself before you asked me that silly question? Who are you loving? That thing? Osinachi, what do you know about love? Osinachi, is that what that idiot has been filling your head with? In the name of love, you're just fooling yourself and disgracing yourself all over the place. Osinachi, of all the men in this world, even in this community where we live and exist, it is that thing, the son of my enemy, is who you choose to hang out with. All in the name of love, that illusion called love. Osinachi, in our mom. But listen, God. If you ever continue seeing that idiot, I will show you a part of me you never existed. And that part is called darkness. I will destroy you and that idiot. Try me. Osinachi, try me. Try me. Try me. And you will see me. And I will be made for. Hey!
Mama, I want to go inside.
Want to go inside?
Mama, stop. Mama, stop. Mama, stop now. Stop. What have I even done? What have I done?
Ejike. You're
not going into this house. But you explain to me where you are coming from and why that witch of a girl had to come here looking for you today.
Papa, if you have an idea what I've been through today, you will know that I am not in this mood. Let me just go in and rest, please, Papa.
You want to fight me? You want to enter the house by force? Ejike, for talking to me in that manner. You are not in the mood to listen to me. Something is wrong with you in the head. See, let me tell you, if you think that you will use that to bring that girl into this house as wife, you have something else coming. Look at you. You don't know that those people are witches? You don't know? That woman has sent her daughter into this house to come and destroy you.
Papa, why do you hate Osinachi this much? Why are you against our union?
Are you blind? Are you blind to the fact that the woman is my enemy? Hey, Ejike.
So, because the woman is your enemy, you will put your son's happiness at stake?
What they are doing is to plan to deceive you. They want to deceive you and destroy you. That's what they want to do. That's why she's sending her daughter into this family. Open your eyes, shine your sense, and understand what is going on. HK, I'm going to stand against their plan. That plan of witchcraft that they have to destroy you, I'm going to stand against it. That's what she's doing, bringing her daughter so that she will come inside and destroy us. Can't you see it? Anything they do, I will stand against it. Nothing will stand from that their place. I'm telling you, watch and see. HK, open your ears, shine your eyes.
I don't want you to go talking with your friends and get distracted. Sell them if you are not the fresh. Buy Okirogbe and Aribe. We'll get from them in the backyard. Oh, please hurry.
Mama, head. You keep reminding me. I know all these things.
Hey, I know you. Come back now.
Mama, we waste time. Oh.
I got my own one.
Mama, I don't know if I'm at the right house. Are you Mrs. Madako Akachuku?
Oh, man.
Okay, very good.
But I can't remember meeting you before. I don't know your face.
No, Mama, you haven't met me. And as well, this is the first time meeting you. Well, I am the only son of Chief Boniface Okonkwo.
Boninke?
Exactly.
Hey! Nwa Chief! Nah, go check no one. Let me clean it.
No, Mama, you don't need to.
Sit. Hey! Chimo! Somebody say you there. Eh? Hey! We're going for you, Chief. Hey! Sorry, let me get you cola nuts.
No, I'm fine. I actually ate something before coming out from the house.
No problem.
It's alright. Mama, I know you're still pondering on the reason I am here. Well, I've been seeing your daughter Osinachi for some time now.
My daughter?
Yes, Osinachi.
Hey.
And sincerely, Mama, I would love to be close friends with Osinachi.
Hey, no problem. I love that one.
Mama, I actually love your daughter very much. Genuinely. And I don't know how it's going to be possible or how you're going to do it. But I want you to explain to Osinachi how much I love her and how far I am willing to go for her.
Is that serious?
That's all I need from you, Mama.
No problem. Don't worry about that. Oh, I will talk to her. Oh, hey, considering your background, it's an easy thing.
I will sure appreciate that, Mama.
Leave everything for me.
I will appreciate that. It's alright.
Hey, you know it's been a while. I've not been seeing your father. I hope he's well.
Oh, Chief Boniface. He's doing very fine. He's fine.
Oh,
he's fine.
When you get home, greet him for me.
I will do just that. Well, Mama, I'll actually be on my way soon. But before that...
You say you're not going to take cola nuts. I don't know.
No, I had something for coming out.
To have you in my house.
Mama, this is for you.
Okay.
It's all yours.
All this?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Mama, all I just need for you is just to explain to Osinachi how much I feel for her. That's all.
You don't need to say it 2 times. Eh? I will convince her to follow you.
I will appreciate that so much, Mama. I will. Okay. Mama, I will be on my way now.
Oh, please greet your father for me. No problem, no problem, no problem.
It's alright. Alright, Mama, do take care of yourself.
I will. Oh.
I will see you some other time.
No problem.
Don't forget, please, my message. It's alright.
Your love is the best. You mean the world to me. What we share is true. No one else can do. 'Cause I love you. Your love is real. You are my dream come true. What we share is strong. No one else can do. 'Cause I love you.
My love.
I had so much fun today.
Whenever I see you first before going to work, the rest assured that day is blessed. You are my blessing.
Are you serious?
For real.
Okay, so what do we have?
Here's 17,000 I want you to keep it safe.
What? You mean you made this money today?
I just called you my blessing.
Oh my god, this is so much.
Keep it in the safe.
I will. Just a reminder. This is nothing compared to the blessings and favors you will get when we are married as a couple.
I cannot wait.
The word of God says, he who finds a wife
finds a good thing and obtains favor from the sight of God.
You are very correct. Anyway, I should keep this. It needs to be safe. I don't want anything to happen to it.
It is safe.
Okay, so I need to run home. I don't want my mother to get worried.
Alright.
So you go and
You will send me words.
I will.
You are mine. You are my dream come true.
Alright. And do not forget our appointment.
I remember.
No matter the circumstance, no matter what I see, I am yours. You are mine. You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life. No matter the circumstance, amen.
I told you, don't talk with anybody. Don't chat with your friends. Hurry to the market. And you went to that market. Stayed all day. What kind of a stupid behavior is that? What kept you that long?
Mama, calm down now. At least allow me explain. The market was so dull today. It's not that I intentionally stayed in the market that long. It was as if all the customers had gone to another market. I couldn't even sell that small vegetable. I even wanted to come back in the afternoon. But then I realized that we need the money I will make from the sales of the vegetable to buy some things. That's why I stayed back.
Only today you went to sell that vegetable. As fresh as that vegetable was. Because you went to the market today, all the buyers went to another market.
Sorry.
Sorry. I waited for you, didn't come back. So I had to cook something else to eat. That is what you want.
Mama, it's not what I want, but thank you.
Good evening, Papa.
Hey, Ejike. Welcome. Why are you just coming by this time? I've been waiting for you since. You promised me you were going to come back home early so that you give me money to go and buy that thing that I need. Look at the time. When am I going to go to the market now to buy it?
Papa, I know I promised to give you money to get your chieftaincy, but I couldn't make much money today. Things are hard. I only managed to raise some money so that we can eat. Let us manage. I believe tomorrow things will be better. You will get a new chieftaincy wear.
Wait, Ejike. So what you are saying now is that I should go and attend that meeting where you have all the cabinet members in an old cloth? Where everybody coming there wearing new clothes, new chieftaincy attire. Me, Okafor, will go there.
Papa, I don't know what you're saying. If you go there with old chieftaincy, it doesn't change anything. Everyone knows that it is you. You have style, you're different from them. After all, none of them have the kind of grey hair you have. So there's something different. You have to learn to manage, Papa. Things are hard. Stop sounding like Steve. Okay, what do you want me to do?
And what I want you to do is to make money like other young men are making money. Are you the only one? People are making money. All those people who bought new clothes for their parents, are they not doing something? Go and do something. I don't even know what you are doing in that carpentry workshop. Are you saying that people are there PCOC? People are not making chairs, they're not making tables? Is that what you are saying?
Papa, you don't even know what's happening in this country. You stop sounding like a foreigner. Things are hard. You're sounding as if you don't know. Are you not in this country?
I want to ask you a question. What are you doing with your money? Tell me, is there somebody or something that is taking your money?
Papa, there is nothing eating my money. I am working hard. You know, I leave this house every month and come back every evening. I'm working hard. Will I kill myself? Every day I make new chairs. People will not come and buy. Those that have made chairs, they will not come and carry and give me money. What will I do? Should I start carrying the chairs to their houses for them to give me money? Papa, I'm trying. Things are very difficult in this country. If you don't have a new chieftaincy, you wear the one you have. It doesn't mean you won't go for your meeting. What is all this one? I'm trying my best. This chair in this house, have they not been here since I was born? Have you changed them? That is the way other people are. Some people will not even change their own till they die. Try and understand this. I brought money for us to let us feed anytime I have money. You buy a new chieftaincy here.
Anybody taking money from my son or just God will punish the person. That is not allowing him to take care of me. God will punish the person. Aye. Anyway, come to think of it, this chair here now, it's my father that handed it over to me. I have not been to carpenter ever. Who will now go to my son?
Osinachi,
Mama.
is that something you're hiding from me? Or something you should have told me you have not told me?
Mama, you know I don't keep things away from you. Nothing I can remember. Mama.
You mean a whole son of Chief Okonkwo? Honorable Chief Okonkwo, who doesn't know him in this community? He's coming after you, and you never told me.
Mama, same way you are surprised is the same way I am surprised. This is the first time I'm hearing this.
You're pretending because you want to hide it away from me. Because of that stupid thing you think you have without doubt.
Mama, it's not stupid.
That half-crazy man. That son of a wizard.
Mama, it's okay now.
I am going to shock you. You do not have a future with Ejike. That relationship holds no water. How can you, my daughter, decide to risk your life over something that is not worth it? I'm your mother. It is this my two breasts you suckled. So I can never deceive you. And I will not see you wanting to waste your beautiful life ahead of you, and I'll watch it happen. I am happy that God has finally answered my prayers and has brought the kind of man I want for you. In that friend, please, I beg you in God's name, adjust yourself, prepare yourself, wear your best dress. He's going to come here in a few days' time. I know he loves you a lot, and he wants to marry you. Don't waste your life. You're so beautiful, and your future is so bright and beautiful, just like you are. Don't waste it. Be good. If you want me to kneel down and beg you, I will kneel down.
Mama, you don't have to kneel down. I can't marry him. I don't even know.
Shut up. I'm not raising you to talk back at me. They accepted that man to marry you. I've given my 100% consent. I'm not asking for your opinion. All these things I'm saying is for me to advise you. I am not looking for your opinion to tell me how you feel. What I want is yes, but I am prepared. I will do as you say, considering how and where we are coming from.
Yeah, I'm not your friend.
I said shut
No,
up.
Mama. I can't marry.
Shut up! Why are you sulking? Something you should have opened your arms and welcome. How am I? You now want to marry the half madman.
It's not half, Mama.
Okay, it's full. He's a full madman. Thank God you said it's not half. He's full. You are intelligent. I've always known you're a very intelligent person. Oh, he's not half. He's a full madman. Oh, you see? You understand. I won't say destiny again. Because a word is enough for the wise. And obedience is better than sacrifice. Kenya says. Just do what you want, and I'll do what I want.
Yes, sit. Ejike, you know you are my only son. You are all that I have. And I want the best for you. What I want is that you should embark on a marriage project. I'm not getting younger. I want to have a grandchild before I join my ancestors. I don't want our lineage to be wiped off.
Papa, what you said now just came to me in a shock. Why do I need to do that?
It's simple. I said I don't want the lineage of this family to be wiped off. What is different? What is difficult in going around here, speaking one of these girls in this community? Very good girls, there are many of them. Somebody from a well-groomed family, a very good family. And marry her, bring her to me, I will give my blessings.
But I still don't understand what you're talking about. I already presented you a girl I want to marry. Why would you want me to present another?
Ejike, don't go there. Don't raise the issue of Osinachi. Anytime we are talking, if you bring it, you will provoke. Why do you like provoking me? What is the meaning of this? Those two families can never have anything in common, don't you know that? Do I have to tell you 100 times? What is wrong with you?
Papa, I understand that you have problem with this family. You are at war with them, but please, do not stand against my happiness. Please.
How many times we have nothing in common with this family. Nothing. We will never have anything in common with them. Never. It won't happen. Go and look for another girl from somewhere else and I will give you my blessings. Simple.
Papa, what happens to dialogue? What happens to reconciliation? What happens to peace? These two families can come together and make peace.
Can you listen to yourself? Me, Okafo, will go and make peace because you are in love with Osinachi. You have another thing coming. It will never happen. It will never happen. The two families have nothing in common. Simple.
Perhaps you can just make this one sacrifice for your own son. Please, Papa.
It will not happen. I will not descend so low to have anything to do with that family. Get that into your head. It's not going to happen. It will happen.
Then be prepared, because I will never get married in my life.
Never!
You must be a very hard-working young man to be handling your father's chains of business at this your young age.
On God, Mama.
It's a good
God
one.
has been helping us.
Let me check what I'm cooking.
It's alright.
Just be comfortable.
It's alright.
Excuse me.
Osinachi.
Sir?
Not sir. My name is Mr. Fred. Well, Osinachi, I must say you're exceptionally beautiful. And to be sincere, I've heard a lot of good things about you. A lot.
Thank you.
You seem to be a very shy person. Well, Osinachi, you know, from the very first day I saw you at the house opening party of Chief Okagwe, you know, from that very day till now, I've been finding it very difficult to get you off my mind. I swear down, since that day, I have not been able to get you off my mind. I've been thinking about you day in, day out. You know, it's been difficult for us to see because we usually meet outside, and that's because you've been finding it difficult to get, you know, to bring me to your house. I guess that's because you've been taking everything I say on seriously. Osinachi, I don't know how to say this now. Sincerely, deep down inside my heart, I love you. I'm not lying about it, trust me. I love you. And I am capable and willing to do anything whatsoever to prove it to you. Trust me. Anything. If you just name it, trust me, I would afford it.
Really?
I'm serious. Very serious. Just say it, whatever it is. Osinachi, I've been trying so hard to make you understand how much I feel for you. And you've just been saying it like, you know, I've been unserious about it all, and all these things I've been saying are just rubbish.
What you're saying is not rubbish. In fact, I've heard everything you said. All I need you to do right now is just to give me time to talk. And since we're done talking, you can leave. Mama, your visitor is leaving. He's done.
It's okay.
It's our visitor.
It's okay.
Hey.
Mama, I have something small for you.
No problem.
I have something small for you. Mama, this is for you.
Is this a small one? Hey! Oh, wow.
And Osinachi, you can have this.
No, it's...
No,
I'm okay.
Give me, let me hold for her, don't worry. She's a young girl. Oh my boy, behind a guy. The big guy when they see money.
It's alright.
Let me give you.
Okay, Mama, I will see you some other time.
Oh, man.
On my way now.
Hello. Thanks for coming, bro.
It's alright, I will see you some other time. It's okay.
How did he go? What did he tell you?
He made his intentions known.
So, what did you tell him?
Nothing.
What do you mean by nothing? Isn't that a baby? A full-grown man as handsome as that, with a car, well-dressed, polished, came to talk to you.
Mama, I didn't say anything to him because I had nothing to say to him. Maybe not today, maybe next time. I wasn't just in the mood.
Osinachi. Osinachi!
Mama.
Let it not be what I'm thinking. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Any plans you have to spoil this marriage arrangement, Osinachi, I will kill you. If I cannot kill you with my bare hands, Osinachi will be until you go get poison. You want one on your bed.
Mama.
You heard me. You see this golden opportunity. Sugar. I didn't go begging. I didn't go ask. I didn't go to anybody. God brought it to me. Anything you will do or anybody that will destroy this for me, give that person almost night and go back. And that doesn't exclude you. What? Look at what he brought. Is it that chicken money, that chicken change, penny na dollar na half? That half madman brings. It's what you are sacrificing for this bulk money. One bundle, udu, bua, once, Ophelia. If you try it, Osinachi will kill you. Read my eyes, read my mouth. I am not playing. I am not joking. You dare me. See that you see now. I am aiming for billions. Osinachi, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Once you know. Mimi I also so that is more Igwe Suwagono. Look at what you do. Don't try me. Don't try me, because if you do, I will shock you with all your life. Don't tempt me, oh. Abraham Jesus. If you tempt me, I kill you. Abraham Jesus.
Yeah. Mama, I won't marry him. Oh. If you like him that much, you can go and marry him. You are still young. You are still very young. I will not marry him. I'll marry a chicken.
What is it?
My mother wants to marry me off to Chief Okonkwo's son.
Fred.
Yes. He came to my house and declared his interest. Since then, my mother has been pressurizing me to accept him. She has even threatened to do something unbelievable if I don't accept to marry Fred. My love, I am confused. I'm disturbed. I don't know what to do.
Are you giving up on our love so easily?
No, my love. It's just that the situation right now is so tensed. I don't know what to do. She doesn't even allow me some breathing space. She compels me to accept him whenever he comes to the house. I'm confused.
What do you want?
You are everything I want. My life is nothing without you. Everything in me lies with you.
Then let us fight for what we share. My father's been on my neck. He wants a wife at all costs. Wants me to give him grandchildren. I stood my ground. I told him it can only be you and no one else. I understand the tempest is getting heavier. But the heavier the storm.
What I see, I am yours. You are mine. You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life. No matter the circumstance, no matter what I see, I am yours. You are mine.
Wrappers and watch. Eh? Even bought shoes. I know you have taste. Are you sure you didn't spend the whole money, everything he gave to you to buy this?
Worry. I had to buy these things to tell those women that used to look down on me that levels have changed. And I when I swag.
Wait. You mean you went to the market to buy this? How are you going to wear?
This is koi shoe now.
No, this is not koi shoe. This is 6 inches heel.
This thing, I bought it on purpose. This is equally fashion and weapon. You see all those women that used to talk down on me, I used to tell them, shut up, koi. Yeah! This, if I wear this, do you know when I went to the market, people were looking at me.
Mama, they were not looking at you because it was nice. They were looking at you because it is funny.
It is in your mind. This thing you're saying is in your head. You see that money my in-law gave me? I spent everything and bought as much as I could. You've not seen everything. Look at this one. I spent it because I know more is coming. My son-in-law is capable. Ah! Look. This one on Sunday church. This one, I'll take it to your tailor. You know, I will tell the tailor to, I don't have boobs like you. So I'll tell him the own is dry now, old age. But they will put foam. Are you angry? No, it's not for men. I'm doing it for fashion. So that when I wear it, I will look fine. And that reminds me, President is coming in a few days' time. Please, behave yourself. I don't want stories. If he can give me this, rest assured, more is coming. And this is my time to enjoy. You know, I didn't enjoy during my young age like you. So I'm begging you now. Marry someone that will take care of you. So that you don't suffer. See, just look at. Hi!
Mama, please, just tell him not to come.
Just shut up now. Don't ruin my mood. Just wear this one now, as if I'm going to wear it again. It's to match you. I tested it and this one matched. Where is that other second shoe?
Osinachi, initially I thought you're just being shy. But you're taking your time to assimilate my proposal. But clearly observing you, it is obvious that you're finding it difficult to open up to me. Osinachi, please. I love you genuinely and I am willing to do anything whatsoever to prove my love for you. Please, Osinachi, just find a place in your heart to understand where I am coming from. Please, open up to me.
There is nothing I'm keeping away from you. And please, if we're done talking, I need to leave.
No, please, Osinachi. Please. I know it is obvious that something is eating you up. It's very obvious. It is written all over you. Free up your mind and let me know what it is. Trust me, I am going to take it maturely. I am not going to take it with fear. No, I am going to take it like any of these guys you meet out there. See, Osinachi, I know that I am rich. But I understand people very well. Yes, I do. No matter their level, their class, I understand people because I have a conscience. Osinachi, please, all I want from you is to open up your mind to me.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Have you ever been in love?
Yes, I have.
So what happened?
I messed up. I mean, I didn't know what I had until I lost it. I felt like I could buy her heart over with money, but I guess that was where I was wrong. Osinachi, all these things are all in the past now. I'm a changed person now. I have learnt my lessons. I am willing to love you genuinely. Trust me, I am. Please.
Fred, you are a good man. And no woman in her right senses would reject your proposal.
Then accept me.
I can't. I'm in love with someone else. My heart lies elsewhere. My mother has only refused to give us her consent because she has issues with his family. And we're still hoping and praying that someday she would have a change of heart. She's only forcing me to marry you because she doesn't want me to be with him. I need you to understand this. I am not in love with you, so I can't have anything to do with you. I'm just praying and hoping that someday you will find a woman after your heart. But please just leave me. You have to try. Just look for another woman and let me be. You can't have me.
everything Osinachi told you. Osinachi is a baby. She's a child. Is it about her height? She knows nothing about love and marriage. Probably she's nervous about this marriage and love thing. It is like that with young girls. It happened to me. Even when they said I should get married, I was so afraid and nervous. So it's normal.
See, Mama, sincerely, I still feel you don't get the point.
My son, I do. Nobody why?
You don't actually, Mama. Okay, let me just play this thing out for you to understand very well. Mama, Osinachi is in love with another man who wants to marry her.
They lie. Ask. She's in love with nobody. Osinachi is just a baby playing around with her childhood friend. They all grew up together. She's not in love with anybody.
Listen, Mama, the world has gone past that stage. This life is not like that anymore. It has gone past the stage where parents determine suitors for their children. Yes, it has gone past the stage. As a matter of fact, marriage is not about who the family loves. It's not about that. There are a lot of things to consider these days before going into marriage, Mama. Things like love, compatibility, understanding and respect. All these things have to be considered, Mama. Mama, sincerely, I am not going to lie about that. I love Osinachi. Deep down inside my heart, I feel something very strong for Osinachi. But I can't force myself to marry her. Osinachi is in love with someone else.
My son, she's not in love with anybody. Believe me, just calm down. Let me explain everything to you. She's just a baby.
How? How, Mama? How is Osinachi a big girl like that? How is she a baby? Mama, sincerely, I love Osinachi. I have to be sincere with you. But I don't understand any of this. I don't know. How do I go about this? How do I force myself on someone that is in love with someone else?
You want to kill me? What have I done? Listen, you want to kill me? You want to kill me? No problem. But before you kill me, I will kill you first. You cannot disgrace me. You cannot kill me. I didn't kill my own parents, so nobody will kill me now.
Mama, what is it now? What is it? You want to kill me because I want to marry a man after my own heart? I'm sure nobody forced you when you were young to marry Papa. So why are you forcing me? Hey. You want to give me out to that man because of money? It won't work, oh. It won't work, Mama. I won't marry him.
Listen. If I had seen somebody like Fred, at that time I wanted to marry that to your father, I would have jumped onto him and said, marry me. And marry me, take me to Obodo, you know.
Now go and marry.
You want me to die in poverty? But then you cannot be alive. Let me waste my life in poverty. You can't do that. Osinachi, say yes now. Okay, Mama, let me kill myself for you so that you can do whatever thing you want to do with your life.
Mama, that cutlass is sharp. Why are you doing
this? Oh, you're looking
now?
at me. You want me to kill myself for you, Akwa?
No.
Okay, let me kill myself now.
Mama.
Mama! Oh, you want to break my hand? Remove your hand now before you want to break my hand. Listen, just say yes. All this thing, this grammar will be matter will finish. What is this? Fred is in time. Fred is rich. Oh, what are you doing with this? Oh, you were for a day.
I love him.
I love so if I hear law, V and M, I will kill you. You want to die?
No.
You want to die?
I don't want to die.
Just say yes now. Say yes, I will marry Fred. Oh no, this thing will end. Me too. Become happy. You become happy. I can't change this place. Look at this. Put paint. Change everything. Look at all this place. You don't want to put interlock here. It's good. After
After all, it is you that will be in church. When he be riding you in his car, will I be the one?
Mama, I said I've heard that. I said I'll marry him. I'll marry him.
See how?
What happened?
Want to break my hand?
Sorry, I said I'll marry him. You're still holding me now. I'll marry him.
I'm not marrying anybody. I'm not marrying anybody. I'm not marrying him, Mama. Would you come back here? Go and come back. Eh, no problem. Akwamma, I'm going to be front and back with you. Ha! I'm going to go yourself. God I met you here.
What is it?
Tell that wild dog you call a son. Tell that half-mad man you call a son to stop deceiving my daughter all over the place. Tell him to stay away because the next time I see him around my daughter, I'm going to stab him and wait for him to come and do that to your worst. Even the
whole world knows that you're a mad woman. Look at them looking
at you. Idiot.
Eh? Go and teach your daughter how to cross her legs. And stop throwing herself on my son. Very simple thing to do.
Look at who he's talking.
You can't cross your own. That's why she cannot cross her.
Idiot.
Like mother, like daughter.
Look at who is talking. Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say I did not warn you. My daughter is a golden jewel. Made for real men. Not that idiot. That non-entity. That visionless, lazy, idiotic son of yours. I am shouting it now. For the whole world to hear and bear me witness. I will do something crazy.
Everybody knows in this community that every young man in this community have slept with your daughter.
Oh, Diego.
Go and check all the uncompleted ladies.
If
I had allowed that, she would
have because get away! Get away! You see, you are finished.
Whatever you are planning to use your daughter to do in my family, you will not achieve it. Carry your witchcraft.
Look at
here.
Hey! See, oh. It is women that are witches. But you yourself, you carried your own witch on your head. Your wizardry, you carried it on your head. Please go.
But because I'm disciplined.
Look at your waist, it's been bent. You see the waist that you used to go. Hey! Osinachi. Look at who they will sleep with your bent waist. Get away! You just carry witchcraft on your head. I don't blame you. Oh, Sinachi, idiot. If you're called the Tankoso, Amusumoke. Oh, Sinachi. What are you doing here? Are you not deaf and dumb? What are you sitting here alone like in fact, a maltreated house girl? What are you doing here?
I'm not comfortable with this.
Oh, shut up. It does not matter what you are comfortable with or what you're not comfortable with. What matters is you do the right thing. Do what is best for two of us.
Mama, I can't do it.
Don't be silly. Don't be silly. Don't mess this second chance Fred is giving you. Because if you do, I will skin you alive.
What do you want me to do?
Marry him.
I can't marry him. Why do you keep interfering in my life? What do you want me to do? Am I not allowed to make decisions for myself? After all, I'm an adult and I
then behave like one. I am an adult. Behave like an adult you are. I am an adult because what I am looking at now, me Adako, is an overgrown baby. You have rejected legible suitors, men with class, timber and caliber, on account of that wretch, that hopeless idiot that does not have anything.
It does not have anything attached to his name. Listen, I am not here to beg you. Just to inform you that Fred and his people are on their way. Oh, they're already here, Seth. Put up your best appearance. In fact, smile. Welcome them like the bride you are. Because it's going to make you a good husband. Trust me on this one. Even if you don't believe anything I've been telling you, believe this one. It is for your good. Let me not come out here and see you sitting here again, because you won't like what I will do to you. What are you doing here?
I'm coming inside.
And you're going that way. Is that the way to our house? Inside. One!
Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Make yourself comfortable. Thank you, Jay. You're welcome.
It is time to let the cats out of the bag.
Exactly.
Iche. We are here on behalf of my brother, Chifokonko. His son here, Fred. He has seen a very big, ripe, beautiful mango in your compound.
Exactly.
And he has come to pluck it and plant it in his house.
Yeah, you're welcome. Ije unobo ije mmiri. Obuhi ije nko. Thank you so much. But in my compound, there are many mangoes around. I don't know which one will be sweetest to you.
You like mangoes.
You'll be plucking from the one that is sweetest from you.
You're a very funny man indeed. Well, this beautiful mango in human form. Which one is your brother's?
Osinachi.
Osinachi.
Osinachi is my brother's daughter. Also my daughter.
I'm her mother.
That is good. Beautiful daughter. Our tradition demands that these things that you brought, we will not accept it until that person you came for comes out and give us the go-ahead order to accept. That's the tradition. Yes. Uriah. Go and call out Sinachi.
No problem. I want to tell him something.
It's okay.
Oh, just 1 minute.
I'll be with you.
What is it?
I can't find those energy.
What rubbish are you talking about? Look, we can't keep these people waiting.
I said I looked for Sinachi under the bed, all the nooks and crannies of this house. I cannot find her anywhere. She is not in this house.
What rubbish are you talking about? Look, do not disgrace me in front of these people. If you know where your daughter is, fine. Do not disgrace me in front of these people. What are you talking
Just
about?
help me. I don't know where to find her. I don't even know how to handle this. Just help me. Use your manpower. You are Ninche. You know how to talk to them. Please calm them down. Let them give us more time so that we can look for her. Me, I can go anywhere and look for her. Biko, help me.
Oma, if you know where you kept your daughter, bring her out. Sort this out yourself. Don't insult my intelligence. Don't.
Hey, this girl has finished me. Where do I find her? Hey, Sinachi. Oh, Sinachi.
Adako, so it has gotten to the stage that you will now be shouting my name from a distance. You don't have respect again at all.
Please, I don't have time for your nonsense.
Sounding like a mad woman.
And I will show you the bitter side of a mad woman if you don't go in there and bring out my daughter. For me to go home with her. Get her. Now!
I'm sure that you must have taken Kai before coming here. Because if not, you won't be talking the way. What are you talking about? Which topic?
Okay, so my daughter is supposed to get married today to a real man. But your son sneakily came from behind and confused her, brainwashed her and took her away. Okafor, what does your son want from my daughter? Please go in there and bring her out and give me before I lose it.
You just confirmed something now that your daughter has fish brain. That a man will now confuse her, brainwash her, and then take her away. But wait, who is this sane man? Who is this man? Is he sane at all? That will now come and look for that useless liability called your daughter? Take her as wife. How can?
You know, all your life you have never said anything reasonable.
I accept this one.
You have never been reasonable in your life. I said my daughter is in there. Go and look for her anywhere she is and bring her out to me. If your son spoils this day for me, I swear, I will do something disastrous and all of you will regret it.
Backing like a dog. Can you imagine? Okay, your daughter is towing the same path. Because there's a man that has money, just the way you left me. You follow the man that has money. What has come out of it now? Like mother and daughter. Don't spoil the meeting and doing it. Wait, Ejike can be mad sometimes. He can actually do what this woman has said he did. Ejike. Okay, where's my phone?
Your love is the best. You mean the world to me. What we share is true. No one else can do. 'Cause I love you. Your love is real. You are my dream come true.
not do it. I could not give up on our love. I couldn't give up on everything we shared. I would rather die than live without you. I'm so sorry that I even gave it a thought. I'm sorry.
You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life. No matter the circumstance, Emilumala, I am yours.
One time. What do you mean by one time? This is the height of negligence and insult. Huh? We have been waiting for her for over 1 hour. We can't find her. Huh? This to show that she's not interested.
No, she is.
How could she purposely have left this house without notifying anyone?
No, accident.
This is the proof that she's not interested. Fred.
No, she is.
Let's go.
Me, I'm interested.
Please, my
she will
lord.
marry you.
Fred,
Please,
let us go.
Please, my lord.
Let's go. I don't even mind carrying this drink, but let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Fred, let's go.
Just, I'll bring her.
Let's go. Enter the car. Let me pass it out.
Okay.
Hey!
Please.
Nah! Hey!
Have you seen it? Huh? If you give him, get on why? You've succeeded in rubbing mud on my face. A total disgrace to me. Huh? It wasn't intentional.
That's why I want her to get married.
Huh?
I didn't plan this to happen like this, and I am sorry.
You are sorry. Huh? Why did you tell me that you planned this evil? Your daughter is not in this house, and he called me to disgrace me.
She
Hey!
was home when they came.
Hey!
I didn't know she had gone out.
Hey!
So, they come.
You didn't know.
I didn't know.
You didn't know.
I'm sorry.
You didn't know that they planned to disgrace me.
No,
Adak, you didn't know.
No.
Eh?
Who planned
Hey!
that kind of...
You just want to smear mud on my face.
Osinachi. Inemonka. Achiamana. Ejike. Hey, Ofia diko enwe amaro ya. Ejike. N'isi ka ọ ga na-ada gbawam. Ka ọ dị. No problem.
Since morning this boy went out, he's not back. He didn't even say let him come home to eat or anything. Huh? Where could he have gone? Anyway, he will come back here and meet me. You can stop there. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from work.
I'm too intelligent. Huh? How can you tell me you are coming from? I know you are not coming from. Better tell me where you are coming from.
But where else will I be coming from? I'm coming from work.
Where would you be coming from? You think I don't know? You went to that girl's house to go and stop her from marrying another man. Oh, you are surprised. I will always get the information. Why will you stop her from marrying her? The reason is simple. Because you still want to continue going out with that useless girl. Huh? Whose mother is a witch. You want to continue going out with her. What are you? Why can't you hear? I will slap you one day. I'm telling you. Why won't you even listen? It's only a stubborn fly that follows the dead body into the grave. I'm telling you, you continue doing this thing, you do not know what the ant and the chicken do when they are wrestling. At the end of the day, the ant will end up in the stomach of the chicken. That's what will happen. Continue. But you will never marry that girl. Over my dead body, you and that girl marry. I swear. That's a quiet. Come and bet. Useless boy. One day, you will find out what will happen.
Wait a minute. You mean your mother did this to you? Your mother...
My mother almost killed me. A few minutes after you left, she walked into my room and descended on me like a beast. I'm still trying to figure out why my mother would do such a horrible thing to me. It took the grace of God. If not by now, I would have been a walking corpse.
Forbid. What is this? I think it's high time we confronted our parents. They need to tell us the root of all this nonsense. What is all this?
I can't count the number of times I have asked my mom what the problem is. Yet she wouldn't say anything meaningful.
Same here. I've asked my father this question 1,000 times. He just wouldn't tell me anything. But this time around, we have to confront them because of their attitude towards this issue.
Are you sure? Because I'm afraid.
But we cannot keep silent. We have to confront them. They would give us answers to our questions. Look at your face.
Okay. Let's go.
Yes, I don't know what tomorrow holds, but no matter how it is, we will live together. You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life. No matter the circumstance, no matter what I see, I am yours.
Jamal Buana Tuare, Ewi Geno, Mena Wana Kwa, Mandina Ore, Tigori, Ewi Geno.
Papa, I want to have a word with you.
About what? Sit down. Let it be something that will bring money.
Papa, please. Just tell me the truth. What is the problem between you and Osinachi's family?
Ejike, so that's what you came back home to ask me. Stop me from polishing this shoe that I want to go to meeting with. Don't have any better thing to say. Honestly, I really thought you had something better to say. Huh? I have told you several times, forget about what the problem was. One major thing I also know is that I've told you will never marry Osinachi. Period.
I am not a child. I'm an adult. I am the one in the midst of all these things. This is the woman I want to marry. I need you to understand that. So if I must discontinue whatever I have with her, you have to tell me what the problem is.
Leave what is written on the vehicle. Just enter the vehicle. Must you know everything? No, tell me. Must I tell you what I did with your mother before we had you? Before you will obey me. So I need to tell you everything before you will obey your father.
But that's not what I'm asking you. Papa, I love this girl. Alright? Put yourself in my shoes. I can't just discontinue my marriage plans with someone that I love so much because of nothing. Consider my feelings. Papa, you don't expect me to discontinue my marriage plans with someone just because of nothing. I need to know what the problem is so that I can know what I am doing. Put yourself in my shoes, Papa. That is what I'm asking you to do.
It's alright. Since I cannot put myself in your shoes,
See my shoes.
put yourself in them. When you finish, polish the shoe.
There is nothing you are going to say to me today that is going to allow me let you walk out of this place. If you don't tell me what I need to do, you're not going to leave this house.
You say I'm hurrying to somewhere. Why are you blocking me?
Does it look like I care if you're hurrying to somewhere? Mama, I will not allow you to leave this house until you tell me what I need to know.
What's that? I'm running late. Let me pass now.
Mama, you are not going anywhere.
What's that? You dare talk to me like that? Have you lost your senses?
Yes, Mama. I have lost my senses. Does it look like my senses are still intact? No, it is not. You want me to leave what matters to me because of your own selfish interest? I won't let it happen. You won't go anywhere, Mama.
I will bite you.
You bite me.
I will bite you.
Mama, you will not go anywhere.
Let me go now. What is this?
Mama, pass. You
whatever, Mama. Asinachi.
Mama, you are not going anywhere until you tell me what I need to know. You almost killed me last time because of this same issue. Yes, you want to be happy. Where do you think you're going to?
Osinachi. Osinachi.
That woman is an ingrate. She is a gold digger, a village harlot, a heartless fool. Yes, that's what she is. She is a snake that begets a snake. Adako has nothing good from her, and anything that comes from her will be like her. So Sinachi must also be like her.
I didn't want to say this. I had wanted sleeping dog to lie. But you're the one forcing me.
Mama, say it. Say it. I want to hear it.
Osinachi, for the documented history of that family, no one in that family progresses. In fact, poverty, wretchedness runs in their blood. And any woman that marries into that family gets contaminated with that same curse.
Mama,
is that what you wish for yourself? Look at Okeke, you know them. You go there every day. Look at Okafo. From him and to his great-grandfathers, none has ever owned a bicycle. In our days, my own father owned a white horse. Yes! And back in the day, white horse were millionaires. Apart from this, his Ejike, that is managing that chicken furniture workshop. And you know, from what I was reliably informed, he's doing a collab with somebody. In fact, that other person he's collaborating to own that workshop owns 80% of everything you see there. Even those hammer and inches and whatever he used in that workshop, Mama, he did not buy with his money.
It's not true.
Will you agree? Will you agree? You asked for this, I'm telling you, like a argument. Did I stop? Like I was telling you. That boy, he owns nothing. Even the nail there, somebody brings. This is to tell you how poor and wretched they are. That is why I want you, my daughter. Open all the rishi or the ragopa. Let us change our life. I want you to marry a well man. We should. Our life can change. And you are that instrument that will bring change into my family. That is why I am ready to kill and destroy. Not even that chicken here chicken. If I will not get with Majana Gari, to destroy my better future. Boya. Anybody that will do that, I will kill that person. You know how it was last night. Why you know Ekanachi? You don't know how I'm going to deal with him. Better do it now. Make hay when it shines, because night cometh when no man can walk. Nothing has passed. Make this right choice. I am begging you. Makono Obarisi. Obarakopa. Eh? After all, it is you that will be carrying in front of the car. Not me.
It's okay.
You don't want to hear. But you said you must talk. Now I'm talking again. It's okay. You will not say I did not tell you. I always tell the truth. As I hear, that is why I say it. Yes. Did you say it's okay? Problem.
I don't understand what you're talking about. You don't understand.
Up now. Tell me you're thinking like this one.
I'm good. This plantain is very big. Eh? I know that after selling it, you're going to make a very big money. Okay.
That is if I have plans to sell it.
What I say
is here. You're my love. And you can't for as long as this one.
What? Are you serious? Please. Welcome.
How was your night?
My night was okay.
Hey.
Just last week, you brought us entelope. We've not even finished eating it. And now, plantain. Hey! in a gift. Eh? You're going to finish us with gift. This whole gift is too much.
There's something you need to understand. You see, you are a gift that the gods packaged so well and sent to me. You see, there is nothing that I will give to you that will equal your value. You understand? This thing is just like a token. You see, what you will do is wait. Eh? Just wait until you are married to me. And I will show you that Okafor knows how to marry a beautiful woman like you. That's why the gods have eyes to send you to me. You see, I will shower you with the best gifts this world has to offer. When you become my wife.
Really?
Yes.
Because me, I cannot wait to. I cannot wait at all.
I cannot wait to.
Anyways, thank you very much. I really appreciate it from my heart. Thank you. I know you must be hungry. Let me quickly go inside and prepare something for you to eat.
My love, I'm sorry, but I have to run to Gumosu. You see,
why?
I noticed...
You don't want to eat anything?
Not that I don't want to eat your food. I noticed weeds have started growing in my farm and I want to go and work on them before sunset. Don't worry, you and I will be becoming husband and wife. There will be time for me to eat your food.
Okay, no problem.
Omalicham. See, there is something I want you to understand. Okafor loves you.
And I love you too. Take care of yourself and don't work too much.
I promise you, I will try my best. Just be good, eh?
Alright.
Alright.
Don't work too much.
I promise.
My love, Kekime, how are you doing?
Omalicham, I'm off now. I'm fine. What about you?
Well, I'm good. Fine. Oh, my sister sent her regards.
Oh, Nzubi.
Yes. She's fine. She's doing good. You said you wanted to see me.
Okay. This morning I saw you and Nzubi going to school, and I noticed something. Your school bag and sandals were kind of old.
Yes, you're right. I'm saving some money. The people I with their farm pay me so that I can pay for our school fees. So bags, sandals are not my priority now.
Omalicham, you have spoken like Ezibo. You know, Ezibo wine. In that case, you can have this. Take it, it's money. There's some money inside. You can use the money to get new sandals and new school bags for both yourself and your sister. And then you can come back tomorrow so I can give you more money that you use in paying your school fees.
My love, thank you so much. I don't know how to repay you.
It's alright, my dear. You don't need to repay me. You see, like I said to you the other day, you are a gift that the gods packaged and sent to me. And my duty is to make sure that I will provide for you.
My God will bless you for me. It's only God that can repay you for me.
It's alright, Omalicham. I love you.
I love you too.
Omalicham. Ugebem. You see, the gods themselves have found expression on a damsel like you. You see, when I want to look at myself to see my face, I don't need the mirror. What I just need is to look at here.
Thank you. You always flatter me.
It is not flatter. Honestly, I don't flatter. The word is right from my heart.
Okay, thank you. My dear, I am not comfortable anymore. What is it you want to tell me?
Adam, up now. Please, I would like you to do something.
Okay, what is that?
Close your eyes.
I should close my eyes.
Yes.
Okay. My eyes are closed. I'm still closing my eyes though.
You can open them now.
Your love is the
Up now. Adaku, I want you to know that you are the best thing that has ever happened to me. Will you marry me?
Your love is real. You are my dream come true. What we share is strong. No one else can do. 'Cause I love you. You are my dream come
Adam. Adam. Is Adaku at home?
No, she's not. She went out some time ago but has not come back. Is anything the problem?
Everything is fine. Just when she comes back, tell her I checked.
No matter the circumstance, Emelumala, I am yours, you are mine. tomorrow holds. But no matter how it is, we will live together. You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life. No matter the circumstance, no matter what I see, I am yours. You are mine. You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life. No matter the circumstance, no matter what I see, I am yours. You are mine. You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life.
Welcome.
Ada. Ada. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I want us to talk.
Okay. I'm ready to talk.
Something I want you to understand is that I understand that you're still young and my proposal came as a shock to you. You see, but that's not the reason you should behave the way you did.
Okafor, please. I love you, but I cannot marry you. Cannot.
Adam, but why? You see, you tell me all the time that you love me. And I love you too. The two of us, we have come far. And we have this dream of you becoming my wife someday and me becoming your husband. So, what happened? Why are you telling me this?
Okafor, yes, I love you. I do. But, and I know that I said I wish to be your wife. But those words was just joke. I was just joking. I didn't take it serious.
Adako, so you mean to tell me that you saw my love as joke? I'm not understanding something here. What happened?
Okafor, I have to be honest with you. I love you, but not to the extent of you becoming my husband. I didn't know you took those words I said serious. I was just joking with you. Please, try and understand me.
Understand what? What is there to understand? Ada, tell me, because I don't see anything here to understand.
I have to be honest with you. My heart belongs to another. I love another.
Your heart belongs to another. You're telling me your heart belongs to another. That's what you're telling Okafor. After you made me promises that you love me, you keep making me buy gifts upon gifts upon gift, and now this is what you're telling me.
I am sorry. I never begged you for those gifts. You were the one that bought it for me. And for the record, if you need it, I will ask my man to give them back to you.
I didn't know that you are this mean and inconsiderate. If I want my gifts, you will ask your man to give them back to me. The only thing I'll tell you, Ada, is that you will regret this.
Let me worry about that.
You regret it, Ada. I promise you.
Don't you understand that my heart belongs to another? I can be with you, I cannot be your wife. Try and understand and leave me alone.
So that was what happened. 2 weeks after, she married Unaigwe. And then it was 1 year after that I married your mother. Adaku is evil. Everything that comes from her is evil. Listen, any man who sleeps on the laps of Delilah will never wake up in the bosom of Abraham. Yes, that is the truth. Because a woman that you married from the dance floor will do what? She will one day dance out of your marriage. That's why I'm not in support of that union.
I know I'm owing you. That's what it's for. Well, give me time, I'll pay you. As you can see, I want to go and eat.
Unfortunately, it's not the money issue. It's something important.
Alright, I'm listening. What is important?
It's obvious you're not aware that your girlfriend, Osinachi, is very sick. Yes, she is. I saw Ebuka a few minutes ago taking Osinachi and the mom to the hospital. And he confirmed this.
What are you saying, Chike?
Your girlfriend is very sick. She's in the hospital. Good News Hospital.
Good News Hospital?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Good News. What's that thing? Mama, what is wrong? What is wrong with her, Mama?
Just keep quiet. Shut up for once. Okay. You came to find out if she's dead. You poisoned her. You see this time? You know exactly what you want. And my God will not allow you to succeed. My God is bigger than you. What is this?
Madam.
What is wrong with my daughter?
Please, what is wrong with her?
She has hepatitis A and it has eaten deep into her system. If we don't do something urgent, we might lose her.
No, so what do we do? Help me.
The doctor said you should deposit the sum of 30,000 naira. Yes.
That's what?
Where
would I get this kind of money? I don't have money now. Start the treatment, things that borrow from people. I want to rather get the money than not use my money. Even there is nothing I can do. This is hospital. We have a system of operation. You just go away from me. We need to do something for this thing. Please. Or can you keep quiet? Is it when others are talking, you two will talk? If you don't have anything to say, shut up! Learn to keep your mouth quiet! Maybe I do I get this money?
Mama, I am saving some money in your house.
You are poor. You don't have a kobo to your name, not even a penny.
I said I am saving some money in your house. There is this wooden box underneath your daughter's bed. There is money there. Can we just go and get it? Yes. I saved some money there. Let's just go. Let's go, Mama, please. The doctor says that we should hurry, so let's hurry. Brown bag. There's just one brown. There's a brown bag inside. I don't know where she kept it, but just go inside the room. You will see one brown bag. That's where the key to this box is. Please now, hurry.
Where is the doctor? He's in his office.
Where's his office, please?
The first stop I arrived.
More or less.
Your love is the best. You mean the world to me. What we share is true. No one else can do. 'Cause I love you. Your love is real. You are my dream come true. What we share is strong. No one else can do. 'Cause I love you. You are.
Mama, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine. The doctor said I will be discharged today.
Oh, thank goodness. Sorry.
Chike,
Yes.
thank you for everything. Thank you so much.
Stop. What are you thanking me for? If you're in my position, you would do the same or even more. Please, let me quickly see the doctor to settle the bill, okay?
Ejike, thank you very much. Oh,
Mama, come on now, it's nothing.
bless you.
No one else can do. 'Cause I love you. Your love is real. You are my dream come true. What we share is strong. No one else can do. 'Cause I love you. You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life. No matter the second. circumstance, no matter what I see, I am yours. You are mine. You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life. No matter the circumstance, Emilumala, I am yours. You are mine. Tomorrow holds, but no matter how it is, we will live together. You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life. No matter the circumstance, no matter what I see, I am yours. You are mine. You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life. No matter the circumstance, no matter what I see, I am yours. You are mine. You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life. No matter the circumstance.
So how do I look?
I'm not blessed to have you.
I have to go before my mother comes.
Your love is the best. You mean the world to me. What we share is true. No one else can do. 'Cause I love you. Your love is real. You are my dream come true. What we share is strong, no one else can do, 'cause I love you. You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life. No matter the circumstance, no matter what I see, I am yours. You are mine. You are the circumstance, Emelumala, I am yours, you are mine. You know that I love you. You know that you are my one.
HK. How many times did I call you? 3. Hey, don't dare lie to me, oh. Because I got from a reliable source that you took that girl to the hospital, that useless girl, and that you paid a huge amount at that hospital, while I, your father, am here suffering and hungry. Yeah?
I don't know what you're talking about.
What do you take me for? A child or a fool? You think I don't know? I'm watching your every move. I was reliably informed that you paid huge sum of money in that place. But I told you to get me my chieftaincy material. No, you wouldn't.
Papa, I've told you before, I don't know what you're talking about. There is no truth in what you have just said. I did not pay any money.
HK, you dare me. You dare me. Eh? You are daring me.
Papa, I am not daring you. Forget about the gossips that roam about this village. You've been misinformed. I need you to understand that. What are you talking about? Which amount of money?
It's okay. What I know is that if there is any atom of truth in that rumor that I'm hearing going around, HK, you will not like me. I will fall heavily on you. Then you will know why they call me the lion.
Thank you. Mama, you sent for me.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Ejike,
Ma.
I appreciate everything you've been doing for me and my daughter. I would have lost my daughter if you weren't here for us. I appreciate.
It's okay, Mama.
Thank you very much.
It's okay, Mama.
You don't have a future with my daughter. You can never be with her. I will never allow you to be with my daughter. Whether dead or alive, you can never have Osinachi as a wife or friend or whatever. Stop saying her. Anyway, there is no point planting where you cannot reap. So in fact, I'm even saving you the stress. You'll never have her. Go look for yourself a woman to marry. Not Osinachi.
You can't be saying this now, please.
Don't please me. Just get up and leave. Quietly, don't let anyone know what I told you. Just leave. Ejike, leave. Get out and don't come back. Want me to shout? Get out. Shh, go.
Woman, this is something. Ubiama chaka. Oyene wego. Uwana joyaju. Woman, this is something. Ubiama chaka. Police abini kweo. You know si kwane me. Ono dumu metoro ginobi. Nejo wana bumisi.
Mama, enough of this rubbish. Enough of this
this rubbish? How am I supposed to keep taking this? How? I will shout.
Uncle Obo.
Yes, Uncle Obo. I will shout because you don't deserve my respect anymore. Why are you so hard-hearted? How am I even supposed to explain this that matters that concern my feelings doesn't mean anything to you? Sometimes you just make me wonder if we're even blood related.
Shut up. Shut up, don't you dare talk to me like that.
I will not shut up, mother.
Are you mad or what?
I am not mad. You think I am going to treat Ejike same way you treated his father? What? Yes. You think I won't find out the truth, right?
What truth? So you now believe total strangers against your own mother, your blood.
If you are innocent as you claim, why didn't you tell me the truth? Same way Ejike's father told Ejike the truth.
Yes, just because I never loved you. Manweria.
Yes.
Let me have.
You won't have peace because I even find it difficult to believe anything you say right now. But you know what? I don't care. Whatever you choose to do, however you choose to run your life, not my life, is your personal business. As far as I am concerned, Mother, I will marry Ejike, with or without your consent. And there is nothing, absolutely nothing, you or anyone else will do about it. Period.
Amuka na afiri okpu. Muka ba na amuru okpu. Ha musi ati onwe fa. Idiot. Amara Ejike no go wo ga ba.
He's such a generous man.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Sir, if I'm not sure, I would be saying it. He was the one.
That he paid all the bills.
Exactly, he
No
paid.
balance.
No, sir. He's a good man.
It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
Ejike memewa. I can't believe this. Huh? So Ejike cannot take care of his own father after everything I have done for him in this life. Instead, he prefers to waste money on a total stranger. Huh? Ejike. He won't even look at my needs. Small needs that I have that he can meet. He won't even look at them. Instead, he's pumping money into the life of a stranger. It's all right. I know where this is coming from. Adako. Adako, so you have sent your daughter to do to my son what you did to me. It will never happen. It will not happen unless I am not Oga. It's not going to happen. I must do something about this before this nightmare turns to reality. Huh? No, it won't happen. It won't happen.
Your love is the best.
You mean said all this?
You mean the world to me.
I didn't even know when I said those things to her. I mean, I was angry. I was mad because of the things she said to you. Ejike, what haven't you done to prove your love, your seriousness, and your closeness towards me? Why must we be punished for family issues we know nothing about? Why?
What
I understand how you feel. But have it at the back of your mind that she is still your mother. You have to choose your words carefully.
Why?
She's your mother. So you need to mind what you say to her.
Ejike, please stop it. Stop! You are a coward and this is one thing I detest about you. If you had been man enough a long time ago to trust these issues, we won't be where we are right now.
Is it enough for you to call me a maid? You just called me a coward. Are you out of your mind? Mind the kind of words you use towards me.
And if I don't? Coward?
You know what? I will not sit down here to exchange words with a fool like you.
Ejike! You just... Wait a minute. Did you in your right senses just address me?
In my left senses, I am calling you a witch. Witch.
Ejike, don't dare walk out. What? I don't even know what the hell I am doing with you. Why am I even paying so much attention to you when you have nothing to offer me? Poor refrain.
No, the problem here is that I left all the reasonable girls in this village to manage. And you have the audacity to talk to me. You're calling me a coward? It is not your fault.
You are a shameless idiot. You are the most stupid man I have seen on earth. I don't even know what I'm doing with you. I don't even know why on earth I have been giving you my attention. I still don't get it.
I don't even know why I'm sharing the same breath with you.
Get lost! I don't even care to!
Get found! I don't even care to!
I won't stand here and take that rubbish. Ejike!
Why is your face like that? Any problem?
Right now I am boiling. I am so angry and I'm still asking myself what I have been doing with Ejike. That boy just completely spoiled my day today.
Who is Ejike?
How many Ejike do you know? I am talking about Ejike, Masioka for son, that unfortunate idiot.
You are Ejike.
As far as we're living in this house together, the best thing you can do for me is never to mention that boy as my Ejike. Can you imagine? That riffraff insulted me, and not just me, he included you in the insult. The most annoying part is, I still can't fathom how I stooped so low as to dating that low life. How? Whatever we shared has ended completely.
Listen, do you know all these things you're saying are just lost? I don't understand what you're saying. I'm still lost.
I did not speak Spanish, Mama. I spoke English. What do you mean you are lost? What don't you understand? I said whatever I had with Ejike is done. Completely done. We are no longer together. Hey, Mama. I know I offended you in the course of my relationship with Ejike. I know I did so many things. I disobeyed you. But I didn't know how those things happened. It was just as if I had charms over my eyes. Immediately we started having our fights. Everything just cleared. And I kept asking myself, how did I end up with such a low class? How? You needed to see him, Mama. He's even carrying Dada. How manage?
Chukudalo, God thank you.
Dressed like a pauper.
Hey, no, you're forgiven. I cannot hold grudges against you. You are my daughter. You are my blood.
Thank you,
and I forgive you.
Thank you.
It was even better now you got yourself.
Mama, I'm telling you, I have gotten myself completely.
Before late.
Why did you not tie me with rope? You would have helped me.
God.
I'm still asking myself how I ended up with you.
Prayer is the key. Hey. Prayer is the master key. Jesus started with prayer and ended with prayer. Oh, prayer is the master key.
Ejike,
You've been standing like this for a while now without saying anything. And I asked, what is going on? Chike, honestly, I have been a fool. A big fool for that matter. Look at me. I have been parading this village in the name of that stupid thing they call love. What am I doing with Osinachi, that witch? Just tell me, what am I doing with Osinachi, that witch? I think I am lost. Tell me, Ejike, what are you talking about? What I am talking about is that whatever transpired, whatever connection I have with Osinachi has expired. I do not have anything to do with that witch. I will not have anything to do with that witch. That is what I'm trying to let you know. God forbid. What sort of... I just told you that someone is a witch and you're addressing her as my wife. What man in his right senses will make a witch his wife? Let me ask you a question. Will you marry a witch? Would you want to marry a witch? Ejike, this is an expensive joke and if I must tell you, you sound... I don't understand what you... I don't even understand you, Chike. Look at me. Does it look like I'm joking? Just look at me. Do I look like a joker? I am telling you that someone has blindfolded me. How God has liberated me. How God has saved me from the shackles of that witch and the mother. And you're asking me if I'm being funny. Ejike, let me ask you for the last time. What is going on? What are you saying? What is happening? Chike, I don't know if are you listening to me at all? Okay, I'll break it down to you. I was blindfolded by that witch. God has liberated me. God has saved my soul. I will have nothing to do with that witch. That is what I am saying. Ejike, the thing is that you've said so many things, but if I must tell you the truth, you've not said anything. I want to ask you, what is happening? The truth is that I have said so many things and you are not listening. I have stood here for the past 2 minutes explaining the same thing. Osinachi and the mother, they are witches. Bundle of witches. I will have nothing to do with Osinachi. Never. The thing is, look at me because I won't repeat this again. Osinachi and the mother, they are witches. And I will have nothing whatsoever to do with them again. Period. No. I'm the one whispering this. You still want to tell me you don't understand what I'm saying? Where is that witch? Where is that witch? Look at. When you started eating my money, go inside this house, get me my money. Go inside this house and bring me my money.
Ha! Biko, whoever has this dog that is barking this afternoon, let the person come around. Put a leash on this idiot, else I will kill this dog.
You're stupid to have referred to me as a barking dog. Well, I've not come here to exchange words with you, you witch. Go inside and get me my money before I go and get it myself.
Hey! Anyway, Osinachi, why are you even bothering yourself about this worthless dog? Barking dogs don't bite. So, Mr. Dog, go on and bark.
It is you and your mother that are barking dogs. Eh? You and your mother, you are the barking dogs.
You are crazy.
You're mad.
Ejike, you are a mad man.
You and your mother, you're a barking dog.
You're crazy. Idiot. No, come now. You're calling my own mother crazy.
You stop me.
You stop.
You stop me. You stop me.
No, come. What is it? Fight. Come and fight, Ejike. What is it? Why are you fighting like that? Mama, Biko, just leave me alone. Let me deal with this situation. Let me give you one black cookie that you won't ever. Why are you fighting?
Look at this situation. Give me back my money.
Nene, which money? Which one are you talking about?
Go do Jeleno. What is it? Which one is he talking about?
Mama, do you know what? Mama, this is a cookie came here to ask me for the money in the house.
The one in this thing.
Bam.
Hey. If I had known that is the reason you came here, I would have joined hands with her to kill and bury you here. If not that you're a half madman, don't you know that if I didn't know you're not annoying? Who asked for a money he gave to a woman when they cause relationship, when they have a problem.
Mama, I will destroy everything in this house if you don't give me money. Give me my money now. I don't know if give me my money.
Idiot! You're a very hopeless man. Did you look at yourself very well in the mirror before you came here? Ha! Don't remind me what I have forgotten. You started eating this, my girl, when she was barely 15 years. Is it because I didn't charge you for child abuse? Hey! You started eating her apple? 8 years down the line, you're coming to ask for money. Who pays for damages? The damages you inflicted on her body. Who? The kissing, the hugging, the waka, the pressing, the pimpology. Who pays for them? Ask him. If you don't leave here, I'm going to bait you with acid. Probably that will put a little bit of brain inside your stupid head.
That is what you have to say. No problem. I will leave, but when I come back, you don't give my money.
What will you do? You do nothing.
I will do nothing.
I will kill you.
I will kill you.
Go and kill
Both of you are done. Witches.
See him. Come and eat. It's your turn. Away. Mama, remove everything from his mouth. He's already paid. Look at the way he's walking as if they're pushing him. Walking. What is parasite? Who will pay? Just coming to spoil my music. Her time, her whatever. Look at these things. He's not satisfied. He looks it. He's always eating. Don't go. I want you to do your legs. Stupid. You don't lost. You go lost. Gabazier. Mama, don't bother yourself. It's not going to get any money. Which money?
Me has gone to see that useless girl again. Papa, Yes? I want to discuss something with you. I'm listening. Papa, I came to ask you for forgiveness for all my misbehaviors towards you lately. Honestly, I don't know what came over me. Please, find it in your heart to forgive me. As far as Sinachi, it is over between us. There is nothing that will synchronize myself and that girl ever again in this world. The charms they used on me has expired. I am back to my senses now and I am back to my father for good. Please, forgive me.
Osinachi, I want you to cool down. I want you to relax your mind and tell me what is going on between you and Ejike.
Chike, please. I am not in the mood for this. Whatever Ejike and I shared is over. There is absolutely nothing going on between us and nothing on earth can bring us together as friends again.
Can you just listen to yourself? Can you just listen to yourself? Now let me ask you, what happens to the sacrifices you've made? What happens to all those good times both of you share together, difficulties and everything? You want it to go just like that?
Wait, Chike, let me even ask you, what is your own in this matter? What is your problem? What is your concern in this matter? I want to
My concern is that I'm your friend. I'm Ejike's friend. We've been together for a while. I have been supporting and encouraging both of you. I cannot sit back and watch you people create a problem out of nothing. And I sit back. It's not possible.
Point of correction, Chike. We are not friends. And if you want to know exactly what happened, go and ask your friend.
Exactly where the problem is.
Yeah.
You are not talking, he's not talking. Nobody wants to say what is going on. I will not allow you. Cool down and tell me what is going on. I will handle it.
Come closer.
I am here with you.
You are not here. Because if you are here, you will realize that your services and advices are no longer needed. I don't have anything to do with that ungrateful rat. So please, let me be. And this is the last time you will ever stop me on the road to ask me this question.
Just like that?
Yes, just like that. And if you have nothing reasonable to say to me again, can I go home? I have better things to do for my mother in the house.
You don't mean it.
I mean it. I mean everything.
You mean you are serious about this? It's not me that said it first though, it's Pussycat.
Ejike, are you sure you are the one speaking? Or there's a different spirit somewhere?
Papa, I am the one talking. Everything that has to do with Osinachi and the mother has expired.
Ejike, you know what? I am happy that finally you have realized everything I've been telling you and that you have cut all relationships with that useless girl. This is what you have to be doing. Listen to me when I talk to you, because what an elder sees sitting down, even if a child stands on Iroko tree, he will not see it. Eh? Good. Since you have passed that phase, what is important now that worries me is that I want to know what your plans are towards marriage. Because you have to look for a good girl to marry.
Papa, the truth is that I want to marry, but I'm just looking for a good girl to marry.
That one is not a difficult thing. All you have to do is to open your eyes, shine your eyes. And there are many good girls in this community. I'm not talking, what about Esther Nkiruka? That one that has, because...
But it appears you have good eyes for good women. So why not help me out? At least if you find a girl that has something doing, I'm interested.
It's alright. I surely will do that for you. Well, just give me a little time. Let me resuscitate my youthful eyes with which I used to get your mother. I will use that one and you'll see what will happen. Give me a little time.
But don't go and get the one that will start sharing. I hope if you get that one, it's for me.
It's for you. What am I saying?
I called you so that I could apologize for everything I have done to you. I know how badly I treated you and the awful things I said to you. Please, I just want you to find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Osinachi, I wish all this sounds as easy as you've just said it. I wish it sounds as easy as you've just spoken it now. Osinachi, do you know what you put me through? Do you know what it cost me? Do you know the embarrassment you placed on me and my uncle the other day we came to your house? Do you know because of that my dad called me and spoke to me in a manner he has never spoken to me before? Osinachi, do you know the torture you put me through? Because of this little thing, this small thing you did?
Please, I'm begging you. I said I am sorry. Believe me, I know how you feel.
You don't know how I feel, Osinachi. You don't.
I know how you feel. Trust me. I do. Ejike cast a spell on me. I didn't even know what I was doing. I didn't know how. I can't even explain. And seriously, I regret so many things I did. The awful things I said to you. I was hypnotized. I was acting under the influence of a charm. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, it's fine. Please. Get hold of yourself, please. Please, stop crying. Just get hold of yourself. It's alright.
Thank you.
Stop crying.
I promise I won't do anything to hurt you again.
Promise.
I promise.
My son, it wasn't an easy fight. It was after my 7 days dry fasting, plus night and day prayers, very serious heat prayers. God delivered me, this my daughter, from the spell that idiot cast on her.
You don't mean it, man.
Okay, wickedness in the mud.
That young man is capable of something this evil. We thank God that God delivered her that.
Amen, my brother. You know that I have not told you. That boy is like his father. And he's gradually informed. Yes! The father is like that. I know they have always been like that. And the boy took after his father. He's a speaking image of his father.
It's very serious.
What? Ima, I just thank God. That God delivered my brother. And gave her back her life and her heart. And I want to thank you especially for your understanding, patience, and love. Oh, go to now very good for me. I'm accepting my daughter again. One thing.
It's alright, Mama. Well, Mama, I know that Osnati here has been through a lot. But the sweetest thing here is that I love Osnati genuinely from my heart. Genuinely. I love the newfound love you found for each other here to stay.
My life, my sleepless night. Look at my effort. God bless you. One so graduated.
Past 10 already and she hasn't come.
Calm down. You know I have eyes for good things and you don't come easy. That girl is a very humble.
She will come. Very soon she will get here. Don't worry.
She'll soon be here. I told you.
Good morning, sir.
Daddy or Rama.
Oh, Malika.
Thank you.
Yes, welcome, eh? How are you?
I'm fine.
How
are you doing? I told you I would come.
Papa.
Thank you.
Hey, what would you take?
Papa, just give me water.
Water? How come? A beautiful girl like you should be asking for wine.
Champagne?
No, Papa. Water is okay.
That's good. Oh, Tita like a visitor. How do I like that?
Get out and get the good one.
So, my daughter, see, I would have stayed with you longer, but there's an emergency meeting of cabinet members at the town hall. Just stay. Ask for anything you want. You have it. Chicken, you have it. Salad, everything. Just there, as my son will give you to me. Let me just.
Okay, Papa. You go well,
Your father said you have to go to it.
Oh. Listen, I must say you're very beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm sure you hear that every day.
Thanks for the compliment.
Your house is fine.
Oh, my father's house.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. But I said I should give this to you.
Oh. Thank you. Tell him I got it. And please send my regards to him.
Alright.
Okay, thank you. Hello, good.
Who gave you this?
Ma, Fred's driver just brought this to me. He said his boss said he should do it. What? I think he went shopping for me. Hey!
Sure now.
Oh, see, I'm even surprised. Yeah. How am I just beautiful? Let me see. Hey! Hey, Mama, look at this. Look at this. This is fine. It's fine. Hey. You know this one. Mama, handle it with care. It's expensive.
It will accentuate this thing.
Mama, must you always talk about my boobs every time?
It's because it's your selling point.
What's selling point?
Is it not what Fred is seeing and he's going gaga? You know when you hear this kind of things? Okay, look at this one now.
Oh!
Mama,
I didn't see this. I did not see this one. Oh. Fred is a true definition of a man. If you check the dictionary, if you want to see what man means, they should write friend. That man knows exactly what I want and how I want it.
You know what? If you will thank God for the good things that are happening for you now, thank me especially, because it is me that knew the real man.
Mama, you tried.
I know what a real man should look like. And exactly when I saw Fred, wham! My heart went to him. Hey! Look at you now. Hey!
I'll get this one and cook Indomie for you. You know, this thing they call it Indomie gown. Hey!
I like that I'm young, you will enjoy it.
Okay, I lost. You're old. And you may not want enough to marry a rich man. Manage.
Why are you laughing? Listen, I am serious, okay? I'm serious with everything I just said. Yes, I don't believe in love at first sight, but today I proved myself wrong. From the moment you walked in, something grew inside of me. And I'm serious. I will prove my love to you.
Ejike, you don't have to convince me. I knew why your father summoned me long before now. The truth is, I was worried. I thought you won't accept me because I knew how strong your love for Sinachi was.
Words. That is the most important thing in what you just said now. Words. Osinachi is my past. Let us stop discussing her. You are my present as well as my future. Let us discuss us.
Okay. But you know what? I have a confession to make.
Alright, I'm listening.
You see, I've been admiring you from a distance long before now.
Me? And that's not true.
True.
Really?
Mm-hmm. It's the truth.
Okay. Good to know.
But you still need to convince me. You still need to prove that I'm now your love and that you're real.
Tell me, how do you want me to prove it to you? Should I say it loud and clear? You are my love, my one and only. Does that settle it?
Yes, but it's not enough.
So what else would you want me to do?
Okay, okay, make me a reading desk. Can you do that?
I should make you a reading desk. What if I make you two?
That would be nice. Thank you.
Your palms are so soft. Hi, I'm cold.
Is that what you want?
Please, don't stop. Let us fall together.
Well, I can see you people are having a nice time. Good. I hope my son has been teaching you. Did you eat rice? Chicken?
Okay. Papa, I have to be on my way now.
Okay, that's good. Please say me well to your father when you get home. Tell him I'll come and see him later. And tell him I did see him at the borehole commissioning meeting we just attended. I'm sure he did.
Oh. Okay, Papa, I'll ask him. Okay. I'll see him at home.
Papa, can I see her?
Yeah, of course, yes. Why not?
Papa,
all right,
thank you very much.
Take care of yourself.
Bye-bye.
You just look like your mother. At least I've done my father's father. Educate myself. Getting rid of food is just the best thing.
Well, that is the way we find things now, so we have no other option than to accept it the way it is.
Change of topic. I saw you yesterday with that girl, Ugochi. The way you were holding her, and happiness is written all over you. Yeah, and you, what is going on?
You know, the mention of that name alone brings a smile out of my face, deep down from my heart. Ever since God delivered me from the shackles of those demons, those witches, Osinachi and her mother, God blessed me with this beauty, Ugochi. I met her yesterday, but it's like I have known her all my life. She's adorable. She's everything I want in a woman.
You don't mean it. You mean you don't mean it? You are telling me that it's over between you and Osina just like that?
What is wrong with you, Chike? What is your problem? I thought you're my friend. Every time I try to move forward in life, you say something to bring me backwards. Are you alright? Don't mention Osinachi again.
What
is that when is this the first time I'm telling you this? You keep supporting her. Every time I try to move forward, you bring me back with that name. That name is backwardness. You don't say Osinachi again.
I don't know what you people are doing, but I must tell you, the whole thing is getting out of hand. You have to stop.
Checha, I still don't understand what you're talking about.
You have to understand it though. See, let me tell you, as I'm talking to you now, another woman is slowly walking her way into Ejike's life. And the whole thing is happening because of the game two of you are playing. I don't get it.
Another woman?
Another woman.
Who is that?
Ugochi. Mazi Bokweso Liga.
That girl?
Yes! You need to put a stop to this thing. It's getting out of hand. You have to do something very fast.
Well, does it look like that? I don't care. After all, I will be getting married to the son of the almighty Chief of Kingdom. Ejike can go to hell for all I care.
You don't mean it.
I mean everything I just said.
You mean you don't mean it? She meant it. This is serious. Hey! Okay.
I don't know how to keep their legs closed. Ugochi! Ugochi! Please come outside. What is it? Is your father around?
No, he's not. Any problem? Do you have a message for him?
Yes, I do have a wonderful message for him. But since he is not around, I could as well pass the message on to you. Please, when your father gets back, tell him to hold his she-goat of a daughter to tie her round a tree.
I beg your pardon. Are you talking to me?
What do you mean you beg my pardon? No, don't beg my pardon. No. I don't have any pardon to give to you. You heard me correctly. Tell your father to tell his daughter to stay away from Ejike because I will do something very, very disastrous. Nne, I'm warning you. stay away from Ejike. Stay away from him, because the next time I hear that you go close to him, what I will do to you, any ears that hears it will tremble. Rubbish. Look at this. If you like, don't pass the message to your father.
Papa, I accepted to give Ejike a chance because he told me that he has nothing to do with Osinachi again.
But that's the truth.
With due respect, Papa, I don't think Ejike is saying the truth.
How do you mean?
Papa, Osinachi was in my house this morning, warning me, Ugochi, to stay away from Ejike, else she would deal with me.
What? Wait. You said that shameless she-goat said what?
Papa, she came to warn me.
Hi! Can you imagine? Watch me break her ribs and break her legs. Eh? How come? Hi! This girl wants to pour sand inside Ejike's garden. Okay, you know what? Just go. I will deal with the situation. Don't worry, I think I will deal with it.
Okay, Papa.
She will know why they come in the light. Don't.
Thank you, Papa.
Oh, Osinachi and Wam. So, let Ejike come back.
Osinachi, where is that stupid witch? Where is that stupid witch? Witch! Where is that witch? Where is your daughter? Where is that witch? Where is that witch?
What is it?
Hey, you! What's the meaning of that? What's the meaning of that nonsense?
What is this tiger generator doing in my house?
Madam, I have not come here to exchange words with you, bigger witch. And you, small witch, what was the meaning of that nonsense you did today?
What is it? What did I do?
You're a shameless liar. You have been patrolling this village, telling everyone that I'm still your lover. How?
And so? Ejike, and so? Is that why you came to my mother's house this hot afternoon barking like a pregnant dog?
Small witch, big witch. Tell this small witch to stay away from me. I have nothing to do with you. I will never have anything. Stop going around telling people I am your lover. I am not your lover.
Idiots.
Witches.
Yes, sir.
Big witch.
Yes.
Small witch.
Who's that? Sir.
Osinachi. Osinachi.
Mama.
What that man said? Answer me now.
I had to go and warn her.
Just that. You didn't tell her to leave Ejike for you?
Hey, Mama. Onyewe Ejike. Is that the name of a street or a junction? Why would I do that? What do I have to do with that riffraff?
Answer one. Because if it happens the other way around, I will kill you. Mumuru, Nonga. I'm covered. Because I took what belonged to me. Mama, don't try me. Don't try me! Mama, mama. Makan me bego no topo. This idiot.
Why did I even go and want that girl? What was I thinking? What do I have to do with this riffraff? If you like, you come here again to come and make noise. Idiot. Mama.
Don't worry now. Stop keeping your face like that. I have cautioned her. And I did that before her mother, so I am certain she will never try it again in her life.
Ejike, are you sure? Because I don't want trouble. Everybody knows that Ugochi is a peaceful person in this village. I am not a boyfriend snatcher. I'm not.
You are not a boyfriend snatcher. Look at how beautiful you are. Who will call you a boyfriend snatcher? Forget about that girl. Her anger is that you are now future. She is past. Ignore that girl. Just ignore her. Eh? I hope she did not tamper with that my hand that is as cold as freezer.
Leave me. I know you're trying to bribe me. Leave me. If she tries this nonsense again, if she dares try to ruin my...
I will personally deal with her. She will not try it in her life. Touch me something.
Ejike, leave me, abeg. Leave me, please. You're trying to bribe me. I don't want.
Okay? You are future. She's past.
You mean after telling me that she's no longer interested in you and that she's getting married to one Mr. Okonkwo's son, she went further to go and warn Ugochi to stop seeing you? I don't get it. What is going on?
There is nothing going on. It's just that girl is mad. She's a fool. She's a witch. That's how witches behave. I have warned her right in front of her mother. If she tries this nonsense with me again, she will not like the other side of me.
And are you telling me that you don't understand the handwriting on the wall?
What are you talking about?
She's tired. She is tired of the whole game. And if I'm to suggest, I will advise both of you to discuss, solve whatever thing that is...
Chike, wait. Do you think that what I have with Ugochi is a joke? You think it's a game? It is over between Osinachi and I. Nothing will make us come back together. Stop trying to reconcile us. It won't work.
And I fail to understand that both of you just woke up one day and said it's over without telling us what the problem is. It's not possible.
You know what? Continue to wallow in your ignorance.
Wallow? Yeah. Hold on.
No. No.
Yeah. It's therefore. As you can see, the gods are with us. Despite what happened the other time.
Oh yes.
We can see the beautiful bride to be and handsome Fred here. It looks like they are twins.
Oh yeah.
Well, thank God. Let the traditional rites begin.
Oh yes.
I have said it before. There is no peace for the witches. Witches don't get married. Witches don't get married. And you, what are you doing here? You want to get married to a witch? You're a madman. Who is this madman? There is no peace for the wicked. Witches don't get married. Madman. Witches don't get. Who is the madman? Who is the madman? Witches don't get married. Witches don't get married. Witches don't get married. No, let me see you get married. Let me see you get married.
Mama, what's all this now? What's all this? Temptation. Sorry. Hey! You took me unawares.
Let me drink water and keep cup in my house. What is it?
I'm looking for Ejike. Ejike, come! You took me unawares. Now I am well prepared. I am ready to give you that war you asked for. Come out. Come out.
Be shouting there. Shout like a madman. Ejike is not at home. What is wrong with you? I can see that this kai in your family has become something else. The madness running in your blood has now entered your brain.
Oh, careful. I didn't come here for you. You know you like taking things that are not yours. You like stealing. I am not here for you. Ejike, please stop hiding inside. Come out. Let me give you the one you asked for.
What is it? What is wrong? Ejike is not at home. What are you talking about?
Since you want to buy the matter, that does not concern you. Ejike, your son, had the effrontery to come to my house to scatter my daughter's marriage introduction. Tell him, wherever I see him, I will butcher him. Maybe a click. Maybe a toto. You know me?
What do you mean?
Oh. What I mean is that since you now have block ears and block brain, Ejike came to my house and chased my in-laws away. Anywhere I see Ejike, me butcher ya cheregi.
I see that ceremony you are coming from. You are the only one who drank the kai there. Get out of my house before thunder will fire you.
I'm going now. I am going to look for him around this village. Anyway, I see him. You see this teeth? Weapon. You see Aka? Weapon. You see Ukwa? Weapon. Oshishi? Weapon. I used to kill him. But I'm not you and you do nothing.
Get out of my house.
Monkey.
So start barking like a
Yeah, frustrated idiot.
The only thing left for this woman now is to remove her clothes and be walking around the village. What has Ejike done? Ejike. Ah. Again? He will come back to this house.
Ejike, you told me you don't have anything doing with this Nachi again. And I asked you, why then did you go and scatter her traditional marriage?
Because she has been scattering everything that has to do with my new relationship. She destroyed Ugochi and I.
And you're telling me why did I go? I will scatter everything and anything that has to do with Osinachi.
I don't get it. What are you talking about?
I don't get you too. Did you see what happened? Were you there?
No, hold on. I want to remind you. We talked about this thing. We resolved it. Now let me tell you. You going to her place to disturb that marriage, you went too far.
She is the one that has always been going too far. She has always tried to destroy my happiness. Wherever I find myself, Osinachi is coming to destroy it. Now I have left her, I have concentrated fully on Ugochi. Osinachi will not accept it. She has tried to destroy her so many times, so I did not go too far. She's the one that went too far.
Should I assume that both of you are still in love? I don't get it.
Chike, I think you need to be clinically examined. Telling me that she went too far. She is the one that went too far. Tell Osinachi to stay away from me and my business. Leave Ugochi for me.
My problem is that there is no psychiatric hospital in this village. If not, both of you need medical attention. But there is no problem.
You this idiot. You this riff-raff, a son of a nobody. You had the right to come to my father's compound to stop my marriage. I have come to give you what you deserve. Exactly what you asked for.
Witch.
Mama.
Witch. What is the meaning? What's up? What's up? Big witch.
Mama, honey.
Big witch.
Honey,
Witch bites no cure. Witch bites no cure.
Mad people.
Cutie, you are so beautiful. And you're not a witch. Some people are witches. Witches. You are beautiful and you're not a witch. Some people are ugly and they are witches.
Well, I can't wait for us to do this again tomorrow.
Yes, but you have to take me somewhere nicer.
Of course.
I need somewhere where I could have barbecue.
Oh,
with chilled wine.
I get it. Definitely. With the biggest of chickens they can have.
Because the meat they gave to me today was very small.
I didn't like it.
So you have to take me somewhere where they will get.
Of course, I'll do that. You're so wonderful. I hope you don't have anything to do with
me. Have anything to do with you? That's idiot. Oh, I don't have anything to do with him.
That's good. That's good.
Yes.
So it's alright, since you don't have anything to do with me. I know her very well there. I can't wait to see you again. I can't wait for tomorrow to come.
We have a date tomorrow, so don't worry. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay?
No
so
problem.
you just have a good night. Okay?
You take good care of yourself.
Amma, please come. I just want to sound a note of warning. I don't know what is going on between you and it, but let's move on. This should be the first and the last time I don't like getting angry.
Stay away from him.
Everybody in this village knows I'm a very quiet person. But when I get angry, it's very disastrous. Very terrible. If Ejike must have everything, he must be a girl from this village. So I am warning you. Final warning. Stay clear from him. I hope I made myself clear.
Come now. You can't just finish talking and go. Let me do my own talking. Okay. Listen to yourself.
Just listen to yourself. You are talking like you have not heard the trend. Onyera Okonuzo Alamania. That is exactly what is happening. Are you saying you're your neighbor? That guy is your ex. Look when they cook a feeling funky. Is it because you carry white attachment on your head? You look like a masquerade. Stay away from him. What is it again?
What is the meaning of what you were just doing? You're asking me what is the meaning? What were you doing with her? Oh, you don't know she's my girl? Huh? I know you've always had eyes on that girl. You were just waiting for me to shift so that you enter. But let me tell you something, you will not enter this one. Have I made myself clear? Stay away from us, Nachi.
HQ, what is the meaning of this now?
Are you deaf? Don't you understand what I'm saying? You can have all the girls in this community, but stay away from us, Nachi. You were here, what were you doing? Let me even clean that place. That she kissed you. Nonsense.
HK.
No, let me
wait, HK listening to me. This is not necessary at all.
It is not necessary. The only thing necessary is for me to see you with that girl. Let me burn this car.
You will burn my car?
No. Me see you with us Nachi again and we burn this car. You can have all the girls you want, but stay away from us. I will not warn you again. Nonsense. Let me clean this place that she kissed you. Nonsense.
Papa, you can't say it. I rather told you I need your blessing. Long forgotten. Yes, nothing. So why is it that both of you cannot leave each other alone to go and look for someone else?
I don't understand that.
How can you understand? What don't you understand? Every time you see Osinachi with a man, you want the person to give Osinachi. The same thing. When she sees you with a man, she goes to want the woman to leave you alone for her. What is wrong with both of you? Can't you just leave each other alone? How can I do? I rather it.
Oh, Papa, I don't have anything. I will never have anything to do with this. I am only taking out my revenge. Osinachi has been destroying every relationship I try to build, and I will do the same thing. If I see her with any man, I will destroy it. She will never have any relationship until I leave this village. Period.
Lip service. Now swear by Amadia. Not doing what you're doing now because of jealousy.
I should swear. Why would you ask me to swear because of that stupid girl? I should swear.
So I should trample on my Christian faith because of that girl. I will not swear. But if I must swear, I swear by Amadioha. I don't have any feelings for that girl. Why would I have any? What would I do with this? She's a witch. I don't have any business with her. But I will continue to take out my revenge. If I see her with a man, I will destroy. If I see her with a man, I will destroy. Period.
So upon everything I have done for you,
I said, you sounded very serious on the phone. What exactly is it you want us to talk about?
Uncle, there is no need for a panic. You see, I just wanted to let you know that I want to get married.
Oh, thank God. Finally. Are you telling me you finally found someone you want to get married to?
Of course, Uncle, I have. And you will know her. Mazutina Onaigwe's daughter. You will know her.
Oh yes. You mean Adaku's daughter?
Yes, Uncle, you're there.
Oh yes, you're there. But there is this news I'm hearing about a certain young man who always fights anyone who comes to seek for a hand in marriage. According to the rumor, he does that for a reason best not to him. You know, you're like a son to me. I know you love her, pretty, good character and all that. I want you to be careful and make some inquiries. Find out some things. You know, like my people say, it is good to be safe and to be sorry.
It's alright, Uncle. I will do as you said. Anyway, that one is not a problem. I'll handle it. I'll handle it.
That will be fine. I'll handle it. So, my son, how is it?
Yeah, pushing it though.
Mama, I came to ask you something in confidence. And please, I want you to be sincere with your answers. What is it between Osinachi and Ejike?
Ejike? Nothing.
If there is nothing, why is he claiming that Osinachi is his wife?
That one. Don't you know who he is? He's a madman. All I know is that Osinachi and Ejike, they have been childhood friends. Childhood friends, everyone can be serious. Just you know? That is all. But Ejike's father and I, we never approved of that childhood friendship. That a woman, we never approved of it in any way. But you know, children of nowadays, whatever you say they should not do, that is the one they will hold on to. And we've been quarreling, shouting, stop, stop, stop. But you know my Osinachi is a very humble girl. Very obedient to the core. Whatever I say, where I want her to sit, she will sit there all day. All of a sudden, because of her association with that useless idiot, she started disrespecting me. And as a mother, I looked inward. And I saw that all is no longer well with my daughter. I started asking God. God revealed to me that Ejike cast a spell on her. And I moved into prayers. I prayed fervently day and night, midnight, fasting. And that God answered widow because he said he's our husband and comforter. God answered me and delivered my daughter. And when my daughter wants to get married, arrange everything. Ceremony going, you will see that miscreant. A John was wherever they are for. Like a ghost. Come and scatter everything. Claiming that this my same Osinachi is his wife. Let me ask you. Can anybody marry a woman without paying her bride price? Can you marry her because you are seeing her on the road and say, my wife? Does he make you make her your wife? Or make him the girl's husband? Ejike has never come here to ask for her hand in marriage. Ejike has never met my husband's people, knowing full well that her father is late. He has not even opened his mouth. Oh, I want to marry your daughter. But he's claiming ownership everywhere. He is not her husband. They are not married in any way. He has not even asked. Yet, let alone you say no. We fetch you family. That is all. Ejike.
Is there more to their relationship which you know nothing about?
More to what? After all this explanation.
I mean something like an oath.
Yeah. Oh, that's one with blood. God forbid. My daughter Osinachi is a Christian. Osinachi cannot even kill a chicken, let alone touch blood of oath. Oath of a human being. Osinachi can never do it. I can swear for her. She cannot. So there is nothing like that.
My dear, your mother and I have talked about this before now. But I have a strong reason why I wanted to hear from you personally. You see, we young people has a way of keeping certain things away from our parents for some reasons best known to us, and might not know what it will cause. Okay? So I wouldn't want that to happen. Please, Osinachi, I want you to be very sincere with me. Be open with me. Is there more to your relationship with that guy that no one knows about?
Ejike.
Yes.
My love, I love you very much. I understand you and I'm going to be honest with you. There is no extraordinary thing between Ejike and I. No supernatural bond whatsoever. What we shared was just casual relationship.
Osinachi, are you being certain with me?
From the depths of my heart, my lips speaks nothing but the truth.
Alright, I believe you.
So tell me, what is your plan?
You see, I want to cover the entire area with thorough security. And if that guy dares to interfere, he will be dealt with mercilessly. I mean, it's my day, it's our day, you know? So I wouldn't give anyone that chance to ruin it. Alright?
Thank you very much. I mean, you're the best thing that has happened to me. I don't even know what to say. But thank you for coming into my life.
I thank you too for giving me that space, baby.
So, where are you taking me?
Don't worry.
Please, I want somewhere special.
I will spoil you like always.
Oh my god. Watch, there's a pothole there.
My name is Nelson. I am here so that we can talk and have an understanding as men.
About what, please?
I am Osinachi's husband to be.
Please, sir, please.
Whether you're Osinachi's husband or not, it doesn't concern me. I don't want to hear the mention of that name in this house or anywhere that has to do with me. Please. I don't want to have anything to do with Osinachi. Is that why you came to my house?
See, I am a guy just like you. You see, I want us to talk. I want to know what is going on between
There
you
is
and...
nothing going on between Osinachi and there will never be. Osinachi and I used to be friends way back, but that is in the past. She keeps intruding in my relationship, trying to tear my relationships apart. And I will retaliate. I will revenge. If I see her with any man or any relationship, I will destroy it. So for peace to reign, let her pack her things and go. Let her leave me alone and I will leave her alone for good. That's it.
It's okay. Thank you so much for your time anyway. What you just said, I'm going to relate to her. She will stop disturbing you once I take her out of this village.
Very good. Take her out of this village. It's not my business. Take her to London or anywhere. No, let her stay away from anything that has to do with me. There is nothing that connects us. Let her stay away from me. Take her to wherever you want. Is that all? Is that all? Yes, go. Thank you. Let her stay away from anything that has to do with me. What is all this? Tell your wife to stay away from anything that has to do with me. What's Nachi's husband?
Ejike, the news of you and your girlfriend is all over the community. You will not allow Osinachi to get married. Osinachi in return will not even live to see you with any girl, talk about of having a serious relationship or even getting married. What is going on? Eh? What is your problem? What is happening? I
don't know. The only thing that matters to me right now is Osinachi will never get married. Since she says I will not have a girlfriend, fine. She will never have a boyfriend. Since she says I will never get married, fine. She will never marry.
She will get married. She must get married and you yourself, you must get married. See, let me tell you something. You are your father's only son. You need to get married and give him grandchildren. What is going on? If you don't love that girl, allow her to get married. Then you yourself...
What are you even talking about, Chiki? I don't love us.
Hey! See, right now, what is it? Is it because I've been quiet? See, is it that you will leave that girl and face your life, or both of you, I will force you to get married to that girl? What is even your problem? Is Omukoso to Enanya? See, Ejike, I will not.
I hope every necessary arrangement has been put in place. And please, you need to inform my uncles that they are no longer coming by 2 p.m. It is now 12 p.m. like they initially thought. Biko.
No problem. I've done everything ready. I'm going now to tell them. And you quickly go and make your hair.
Mama, don't worry. Mama, I said I will be fine. Everything has been put in place. Biko, remember to come back early. We have other things to settle.
I will.
No, don't waste time. There's still some things we need to settle when you come back.
You see? Look how beautiful you're looking. When you marry someone that has cash, your life changes automatically.
Mama, you were right.
Oh.
I mean, who would believe that I'll be looking this beautiful? I can't even believe it. Mama, look at me now. Living the baby girl life.
Oh, baby. Oh, what baby girl, baby girl for life.
Soft landing. See my hair.
Very soft.
I can't even believe it. Luscious hair. Mama, you like it?
See this hair? Pure gold, 18 carats.
You are very current, Mama.
What is this?
Jenica!
How do you know this day now?
Jenica! Yeah, should we fry egg for you? What is keeping your time now? Oh, please buy me something very nice and simple. Just use your sense and
that is Mama, did I tie one?
Mama, it is not your day. It is my day.
We are saying the same thing. try and bring out that front hair. So that it will highlight her face.
Hey, Mama, no highlight.
What you not wear?
Hey, Mama, the mama.
We'll show you out.
Bang. What is happening? What is this one you're tying now?
Don't let her ruin your day. Just be smiling, be happy. It's your day.
Stop shaking your head, that's why.
So don't break the head as well. Let me hold this one. So yeah, okay,
Mama,
don't give her headache because you want to tie a tie.
Mama, calm down.
They will soon be here. We'll check it there.
I don't like this. What's
it
this?
will be fine.
You are welcome. Huh? You are people. Welcome. Thank you, young man. Thank you. You are welcome. All of you, you are welcome. Thank you, sir. Hey! Make yourself comfortable. Sit down. Thank you.
This is cola. Okay, when show your people.
OGS this Naka.
All the my people. I got none. Ije unu bịara ebe a bụ ije mmehie. Ọ bụrụ ije nkụ. Ihe ọ bụla unu chọtara be m unu ga-enweta ya. Maka na ọ bụ ihe ọma. Afụrụ nke iru bụ na amụ mana ọ ife ọma ka unu chọtara. Olise bụrụ ụwa ga-agọzi ije unu nwa ka ọ gazie nke ọma n'aha Jizọs. Ngwa
What are you doing here? We are supposed to be in the meeting and it's late already.
Oh, I totally forgot. But my father sent me on an errand. There's this money he wants me to collect. It's very important. Let me just run along. I'll meet you up at the meeting.
Okay. Hurry on.
There is this beautiful maiden in your compound, which has been giving my late brother's son Nelson sleepless nights. We have come to take that lady home as planned.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
And you've had them. Go and call Osinachi, your daughter. Let's know what they are saying, if it's true.
No problem. Let me call her. Can be one.
Take more of cola and alligator pepper. Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
Hey. Hey. Chefu no chapugo.
Mama.
Welcome, my elders.
I may be seated.
Oh, in another.
These people here, especially this young man, said there is something he said. I want to ask you, do you know it?
Yes, no.
He brought all these things. Are we going to accept it?
Yes, no.
Without wasting time, tradition demands that with this wine, you go around and give it to that man who loves you. Now go ahead and show us that man that has taken your heart in love.
You lie! Wait! You lie!
Mama!
Or you think you will get married? You think you will get married? Come on with me. Give it to me. You think you will get married? You will never get married. You will never get married. You will never get married. What is wrong with you? What is it? What is wrong with you two?
So after all the discussion I had with you in your place, you still have the guts to come here?
Did you tell me you were making plans to marry her? Go to another community and get married. What's that is not married?
Yeah, more again now.
What will you do? Go to another community, go to your community and get married. What's that is not for marriage?
You want to walk here? So you got here. What are you doing? The chair down here, man.
Okay. Because I came in the what are you doing? Why are you doing this? What's that? You will never get married. What's that? You will never get married. She will never get married. What's all this? What? Oh, you think this will stop? You don't even know. You're a witch. Witches don't get married. Witches don't get married. Witches don't get married. What is it? She's a witch. Witches don't get married. Witches don't get married.
No problem. Okay. Onye I'm very hot here. Omo abuma ubane so kuna mbuka. Are you going to stand there and watch them do this to me? Osnachi, this marriage will not work. Who said so? This marriage will not work. This marriage will... Let's continue. No problem. This marriage will not work. Look at this man. Everything this man came to marry you with was borrowed.
Yeah, Nelson from Mbuka. He is going to Buka Shalagi.
How may I help you?
Ijaka, my house is on fire. My daughter is giving me a huge disturbance. That she's in love with one poor, hopeless, wretched boy. Thereby rejecting all her prospective suitors. She's rejecting everybody. I don't know what that boy has done to my daughter. I have come to you to help me inquire. Use that anyamwe more, that spirit's eyes, and tell me what is going on.
Ndị monde na-ejere ozi unu anụgo. Na-ekwu na nna anọ. Adako, there's nothing extraordinary
that boy has done to your daughter is a pure and natural love. And I can see great future ahead to both of them.
I don't want that love. Ichaka, nobody eats love. I want today's own. Nkemfuranya is what I want. That future of tomorrow, I don't want it. I want you to scatter them. Separate them. Let them be enemies to each other. In fact, when they see themselves, let them use knife. That is what I want you to do for me.
Ndori mando, ndori mando, ndori mando, ndori mando. Adako, it is very possible.
I'm happy now.
But what are you going to bring for me in return if I do this for you?
You don't know me again. Ichaka, don't you trust Adako? Even if you don't trust me for anything, I will bring one gigantic he-goat for you. That one, I can name me like this. The man knows you. That's what I'll bring from you.
Adako, are you sure?
Yes! I'll bring it for you.
Then, go home and come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow with 2 doves.
Doves? Yes. Just that? I will bring it. I'll bring them. Oh?
Then when you see the effects of what I have done for you, you come with your ego.
No problem. No problem. No problem. Let me
go. Osinachi. As I tie both of you back against back, so shall both of you be life enemies and turn each other's back against each other. You shall turn from lovers to haters. You shall detest each other. Sight of each other shall be a very, very disastrous one. People will ask, are these those 2 lovers? You shall wage war against each other. You shall turn cat and rat in the midst of all nations. And so shall it be.
Let me see them escape.
Adako, it is done. You may now go.
Thank you very much. I am grateful. Eh?
Yes.
I will do as I promised.
Don't forget my ego.
I will not forget. I promise you a big one. That one you just stick your hands. Hey, and you feel it. I'll see you.
That is.
Oh?
Yagaji. It's been months I did this charm for Adako. And now, Adako is nowhere to be found. Her promise I didn't see. I'm going to free Ejike Mowa and Osinachi now to enjoy their lives. She thinks she can fool me in my own territory, in my own shrine. Chai, sorry. I'm going to free both of you now to go and enjoy your lives.
Ejikemo, go and enjoy your life. Osinachi, you too, go and enjoy your life. Adako, Chiogo, Jerem.
He's planning to book a shalagi.
What is it?
Who are you?
Eh?
Who's in
It's Nelson. What is it? What's going on?
Who is Nelson? Oh, what is going on here? Who is he? Ejike.
What's in there?
Ejike.
Eh?
Ejike. Ejike. Ejike, wait!
Your love is the best.
Why are you tied up?
Mama, what is it? What's going on? What is going on here?
Mama, you were here. You allowed them to tie him up. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What did you do?
You are my dream come true.
What's going on?
Osinachi, do you know what you're doing?
What is going on here? Mama, who is this? Who is this person? My love,
Osinachi, it's me now. Osinachi, what is going on?
You are mine. You are my dream come true.
I don't know. Stop calling me. I don't know who you are. I'm sorry. You don't cry. Don't cry, please. Cry. It's okay. I'm here. I don't know why they tied you up. I don't know what is going on.
Who is that? Yeah.
It's me, oh.
You're the one knocking on my door.
Yes.
What for? Have I not told you not to come to this house again?
You've said it several times. This moment. I didn't come for trouble. I came to apologize. I am sorry for everything.
Honestly, woman, I don't know what you're talking about. Honestly, I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Adam, serious. I am sincerely sorry for everything. I was wrong. In fact, the whole fault is mine. And I take responsibility. Biko.
So, Adako, it is now that you realize that you are wrong. After all these years, you realize that you are wrong. Anyway, it is too late. Leave my house.
I understand you.
I said, leave my house. I will shout.
It's just between us. Whatever you do, to me, you're right. Uzereke. But I am sorry. This war has been going on for too long. It's no longer easy on anybody. And the fact is not good on our children. You could tamper justice with mercy and forgive me. In fact, forgive me and forget. Biko.
Adaku knows mercy and justice. Adaku, all these years, so you think it is easy to forgive and forget like that? After meting out that unjust act on me several years ago, you now think I can just forgive and forget like that? It is not easy. Please leave my house.
I know your kind of person.
Leave my house.
Person. Even if you don't remember the past, what we had that gave us happiness, for the sake of your son, Biko, for his happiness, for the happiness of your only son, forgive me.
I don't know how my son's happiness is your business. My son is a happy man, and he has found a real woman that he will marry. A woman that will make him a real man. Please, leave my house. Go now. Ha! Go! Go! Onye na-eme n'ụwa, ya mara n'ụwa na toile. Ewi jenu, de na kwa, bande na ore.
Welcome. Thank you. What is it? Osnachi, there's something I want to tell you. Mama, what is wrong? Why are you crying? Osnachi, I was seeing your father and Okafor at the same time. Back in the day when I was much younger. I just want to amend the mistakes I made as a youth. I was seeing both men at the same time. Yes, I loved Okafor. And he loved me too. But because of what I was getting from your father, when he proposed marriage, I turned him down. I didn't want to lose those things. I was a desperate woman. I wanted material things. And because of those things that happened, when I saw you and Nejika, I didn't want two of you together. And that is because of all the problems that we all went through, especially you and Nejika.
So why are you telling me all this?
Papa, I don't know what you're driving at.
Ejike, you are my only son, and I want the best for you.
I want you to be with Ejike. I give you my consent. I give you my daughter.
Wait. Mother, are you serious?
I can never be more serious than now. Thank you. I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry. Thank you so much, Mother. I am sorry. Just be happy.
You don't know what these words you just said to me means. Mother, I have felt so empty a long time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I have decided to allow you marry Osinachi.
Are you serious? Thank you, Papa. Thank you very much, Papa. Thank you.
My son, you don't have to thank me. Yeah? I did what I did to protect your interest. I did it for love. You're my only son, and it's the best only that I want for you. I decided to allow you marry Osinachi for love's sake, because I noticed and I confirmed that both of you were truly in love, and that you really loved her beyond reasonable doubt. I rejected because I was only afraid of what would happen to you, because of the experience I had loving her mother. I thought the same thing may happen to you. That was why I resisted. But after what happened today, I saw the brighter side. I saw hope. I saw true love. And I saw a hopeful end. That's why I'm allowing you. Give you my blessings.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Papa.
What I did was
Thank you very much. Thank you. You don't know how excited I am, how I feel right now. I just have one problem. What is that? His father. Do you think he'll ever change his mind?
It might take time. But God on our side, he will come around someday. But I will not relent to beg him to forgive me and accept you as his daughter-in-law. I will continue.
Thank you very much, Mama. Thank you. You don't know how glad I am.
What's it?
Your love is the best. You mean the world to me. What we share is true. No one else can do. 'Cause I love you. Your love is real.
What's the God has answered our prayers? Yes.
What is it? Why are you shouting?
I'll tell you why I'm shouting. My father has given us his consent. He's blessed our relationship.
It's a lie! I didn't know it was going to be this easy. Oh, I guess today is our day of miracle.
A lucky day.
And guess what?
What?
Mama has also consented to us getting married.
Hey, people, please come, people. Oh my, today is a good day, a blessed day, or should I say, Happy New Year, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. So I can now call myself your in-law. Hey, Mama.
In-law.
Mama, thank you.
It's
So,
your
Mburu is it?
Completely chicken. Carry wholesale. Carry me.
God has blessed us.
Yes, indeed, He has blessed us.
I love you.
And I love you.
Your love is the best. You mean the world to me. What we share is true. No one else can do. 'Cause I love you. Your love is real. You are my dream come true. What we share is strong. No one else can do. 'Cause I love you. You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life. No matter the circumstance, no matter what I see, I am yours. You are mine. You are my dream come true. You are the love of my life. No matter the circumstance, Emilumala, I am yours. You are mine. You know that I love you. You know that you are my world. Yes, I don't know what tomorrow holds, but no matter how it is, we will.